Good evening, traders. Welcome to a special episode 389. There's a little bit of thunder for you. Holy crap, man. Storms are starting. Severe weather, not just where I live, but also over here too. But yeah, it's been a long, it was bad. It wasn't a long or bad drive. I don't know what I'm saying, but I made it, dude. I made it to ATL. We're here. We're gonna enjoy things. We're gonna party, have a good time, let loose, live life. Just please be patient. I don't have any starting soon screens. You know, obviously it's so cut and dry, vanilla. I did everything I could to make it as close to home as possible. So give me some feedback on audio levels, on everything levels, really. Okay, Bitcoin levels, upsloping flag. You broke out, man. Big bearish and golden candle. Then I need like a mouse pad or something. Hold on. God. Sorry, I don't know, man. Just getting situated, so y'all bear with me for a sec, okay? Okay. Is that better? Yeah, that's a lot better, dude. Holy crap. Okay, so anyway, yeah. Upsloping flag, slight sign of exhaustion after an impulse, right? We know that's improper consolidation, so things like this will happen. But we also discussed, even if we sold off, who cares, as long as we make a higher low than the previous low, because we know that we're going to develop some sort of fractal probably on the way up, right? Unless this thing completely craps out. You wouldn't think so, man. The double bottom here, clearly confirming to the market that we're out of this down trend, right? Where this structure we were in, we're out of it now, confirming it with, I think, a double bottom. So you would think that we would, wherever we decided to pivot, it looks like right here, we'd run again, break down, run again, break down, and eventually we're looking for that short entry around 4,076 to 786 from X to see our beautiful potential looking bearish cipher pattern. Hello? Can anybody hear me, man? Sorry, dude. Maybe I'm like far away from the mic. I don't know. Now I feel like a radio guy. W-R-A-Y, man. God. Okay. So that's it, dude. It's the weekend, man. Who cares? I probably shouldn't even be live right now, but okay. Why are these storms coming in, dude? I'm about to hear more thunder. So anyway, wow, chat. There's some chat definitely going on. Holy crap! Y'all just want to type 1 if you hear that. Dude, ridiculous. So Stygian, man. Kind of in Belgium, dude. We're going to Belgium, man, the summertime. Let's get wrecked. Vismic, Atlancap, yeah, I'm in your city, dude. In your city. Okay, like T.I. So by Dan Styles, Spear Couldn't Chapman, man. You think B-Chain? I don't even have a pen and paper, dude. I don't even have it, dude. Brian Holmes says K and C for the win. Thanks, dude. Yeah, dude, it's not me making the call. I mean, I guess we looked at it and we said, hey, look at the similarities, look at the bullish divergence on daily time scale, look at the pattern, look at the coinciding variables. That's me calling it, whatever. But it's whatever, dude. We just looked at it and it was doing things. It was good things. B-Chain also, higher lows, Momo shift, broke out September 4th, channel. What's up, Robert A, man? Bill Centura, traveling, man. You see my traveling car? That's right, dude. Hampton Inn, no, dude. Pledge Brothers house. So I lucked out, dude. All right, Greg Morgan. Thanks for the update, dude. What's up, Francisco? Jeremy S. When's your project, man? Unbelievable, dude. Where's that poutine, man? When's your project, dude? Where's your beer also, dude? Seems like just yesterday we were partying like crazy, man, till like 3 a.m. my time. Good God, on stream. What's up, Jonathan Snell, man? Long time no see. You were worried when you didn't see the 6 o'clock stream. Don't ever worry, man. If I miss a stream, I miss a stream. Like, it's not the worst thing in the world, dude. It'll be alright. Yeah, this is really the first ever TA traveling show. Traveling TA show. Yup. Interrupting thunder. John the Snell smoking a J. Is that a joint? I have no sound clips. Alright, sorry, dude. Please clap. Yep. Dude, that's a little loud, dude. The audio. I think that's like perfect. Alright. What's up, Private Wins, dude? Sorry, it's gonna be tough to SEO, man, this weekend. Where I'm at, Atlanta, dude. Sandy Springs, right now. But we're gonna be going to Buckhead, looking at places where I'll probably be residing soon enough. All right. I did not clean shave. This is a scrubby cam, dude. So this PC's amazing. This laptop's supercomputer, but the camera is not. I didn't bring my Brio with me, so yeah. Maybe, well, hey, I brought my microphone though. Well, this is my backup microphone. Thanks, Crypto Noob. Derek York, man, on the roam. Yeah, we're roaming, dude. Audio's fine. Video's kind of different. Yeah, it's gonna be different, dude. It's gonna be scrubby, man. Oh. Get out the banjo. Yep, that's it, McTits, dude. Dude, we're gonna look at it. Let's go to Ethereum. Sorry, I'm just like trying to. I'm out of my element, like hardcore, which is specifically why I chose to do all this stuff, man. Like, we're getting ready, dude, for trips. Traveling TA, man. It's gonna be a new thing. Alright, so you could not sustain prices above the downsloping old resistance support, right? Back inside it, and what are you doing? Bouncing off the 200 moving average for the second time. Look at this, man. Wick, head, wick. Is this a left shoulder, head, red shoulder? And then what is it going to be? A complex inverse head and shoulders? Come on, dude. We run up. We fail, wherever, we sell off again, we run to like 135, and then this is the big neckline that we measure move. Kangage up here, 786. Alright, but hey, man, look, dude, high to low, we had the 382, a multitude of times, failed to break it, and sold off. That's exactly what's going to happen, alright? But we also say every time, Bitcoin, look at Bitcoin, what's it going to do? Upsloping flag, man. Possibility you're going to be exhaustion. You're going to solve some. But it's not going to be too bad. As long as you make it higher or low, you'll be all right. That blight light in the back. Should I change it or something? I don't know. Dude, I look snazzy because I'm in freaking 720p. Okay, I guess I'm better looking in 720. And I don't really know what's going on. Hold on. Thanks to the 100 people tuned in. Alright, well, I'll just remember this is just like a test run. Robert A says, I just want to thank you every single day. My trading skills are growing like Bitcoin in 2017. Thanks, bro. Really? Sure thing. Robert, man. My pleasure, man. I'm glad you're growing, dude. Okay, life's about growing. If you're not growing, you're dying. There is no going sideways, all right, in life. Stop moving the mic around. Sorry, dude. Well, yeah, y'all heard it, dude. Okay, good. Good mic. Good microphone. So William Battles, dude. Thank you for the KNC trade, Jared, man. Hey, man, it's all good, dude. It's why we're here. We're all in this together, right? Who knew says Belgium? That's 10 minutes from my home. Where in Belgium you go? I've not gone anywhere yet. I don't know. I think we're going to like Tomorrow World or something. Jared Gort. Hey man, KNC Kangs, dude. Alright, just getting through this. Okay. Alright, so stay above the 200 moving average, make a higher low than your previous low, and everything else will work out, man. Eventually hit this level again. If you keep accumulating, you're going to bust through it because all these sell orders are going to get filled. And the demand will be at higher prices. The buy orders, the only remaining buy orders will be at higher prices, and that's how you break these overhead resistances after somebody or multiple people all have their orders and they all get filled. And then all of a sudden, there's only people buying at other prices, higher prices on the order book, and then bar, you run up. So easy area, dude. I'm inside the Lightning Network. Okay, dude. Thanks, God, for crypto, man. Yeah, I'll say pouring, dude. Oh my God, man. Really? I get to Atlanta and the storm comes. I should say my TA skills spotted it, whether I called it. Whatever, dude. It's not even about saying I called it or anything. It's just like, if people benefited from it, that's great. That's all that matters. Okay, dude? It's not even about ego or anything like that. It's just about loving charts, having fun while we do it. Living life. That's right, Buckhead. Okay. Audio's good. Thanks, Julia. Dang, dude. Chat's pretty lit, man. Dude, I'm not in a hotel right now. I'm in a home, a house, Sandy Springs. Kangs. Sandy Kangs. Stream elements work. Probably broken again. So I have a Wolf of Worcester, man. Am I coming to Worcester? Dude, I mean, like, if things work out, like, if this, like, what I do continues to be what I saw in 2018, certainly will be traveling all over the place, okay? This thing's just, I mean, like, I would hate to see, like, what I do regress, right? Like, where, oh, I pinnacled my first 8 months of streaming, right? If we can keep growing, things can keep going the way they've been going, then yeah, dude, travel is going to be very easy, okay? I is rep S-Coin of the day, Julia. Let me, I don't have pen and paper, alright? I don't think many people in the real world own pens and papers now. Okay, so I'm just going to have to remember that. My Discord, man. Wait, how am I doing this? Yeah, I don't know. Alright, Wolf of Worcester's in. What's up, Jimmer? I'm streaming, dude. I'm streaming. It's okay, everyone. I think people were concerned, but dude, we definitely communicated in the Discord. It's Tomorrowland. My bad, Station, dude. Tomorrow World's in Atlanta, where I am right now. Dude, I should have brought a jacket, man. It's starting to get really cold with this rain. Dude, we had a solid surprise guest last night. It was unbelievable. Like, just out of nowhere. Box Mining Kang, man, comes in, has a great sit-down conversation with us in Discord. Joins Discord. He's now part of the community. Alright, dude. It's wonderful, dude. So, Melissa, where's Dan at? Hey, Shane. New venue. Robert Kurt? Yeah, dude. New venue. Laptop. I wonder if I can, like, post a picture of what it looks like right here. Because I'm, like, in his home office. Here, I'll post, like, what I'm looking at, okay? So what happened was, one of the cords he had is malfunctioning, so I can't plug up to both, but I'll post in Community IRL. It's pretty awesome, dude. It's pretty sweet looking at a little battle station. Community IRL, okay, and posting right now. So now you'll be able to see it. Not sure how I'll do this, man. Now y'all can just go to Community IRL and take a look, okay? Let's see what it looks like. You thought, what the heck is KNC? Have I lost my mind, Dan, man? No, you don't lose your mind in TA, dude. I mean, you can literally lose your mind inside of the TA, where, like, everything in life becomes TA. And, like, it's probably not healthy, and it's kind of like a lot of where I've gone, where, like, I'll have conversations with people, and it's just like that. You don't hear the music, dude? It was on. It's just, like, quieting down. Let me skip forward a little bit. Can you hear the audio now? Was he pissed at Crypto Chico? I don't even know who that is, dude. Alright. Yeah, dude, box mining out of nowhere, man, is awesome. Sure thing, William Baker, man. Sure thing, dude. Why is my restream? I think restream just sucks, man. Alright. What is the next? Is it? Wait, did we, was KNC one of the ones we looked at when we did our SEO where it was like, which one will it go up? I don't think it was. Maybe. I don't know. Let's go to XRP. Knock it out. Dude, love it, man. Like, no, like, FPS issues. It's so solid, man. Okay, dude. Wow. Big surprise. XRP made a lower high than its previous highs consecutively, and it's sold off, but is now making higher low. That's triangle stuff, and it's continuing to triangle, man. All right? It's really, really quiet. I mean, I'm looking at my decibels, though. It's really probably because the rain is like getting really, really loud right now. Yeah, KNC was, yep, compared to Raven. That's right. Yeah, for sure. I'm just saying, though, man, like, you know, you look at so many charts, and it's just like, which one was that again, dude? Holy crap. Zill, Walton Coin, Red Coin, Dash. Okay, Robert. Thanks, man. Appreciate it. So, XRP. Hey, man. You got a lower high than your previous highs. You got an impulse, right? Down. You're up sloping slightly. High to low. You're only hitting a 382. Though it is a wedge, man. This is an extended run on a wedge breakout, dude. That it very well could break down just as much as it could break to the upside. Thing is, you are at a low risk area if one was to trade XRP. I mean, like, you're buying at the bottom of an upsloping support, so there's nothing wrong with that. Targets, though, would be interesting because, like, if you run up, you're probably not going to make much if you sell at the top of the triangle, right? And we just still not yet hit the 50% or 618, which we've been looking for. We don't care after that, but dang, only hit the 382, beginning of the golden zone, and that was it. Here are your critical supports that you have to hold, and we've been holding them, man. Been holding them well. Yeah, we'll look at KNC, dude. It's raining like crazy, Francisco. That's what it is. Prosperity Plus, hey Mitch, always a crypto fan. You're doing good work, dude. I hopped on the crypto train October 2017. Been really cool. Yeah, it's been really cool, man. It's been really bloody. Now you got to see 2 months of cool stuff where people making, taking the highest amount of risk or yielding the highest rewards, and that stuff will get scratched out real soon. And then all it does is gives opportunity. Dude, I feel like it's too loud, man. I think it is too loud. All that those great FOMOs do is it'll usher in a new generation of FOMOers. They'll mortgage their houses, they'll do really crazy high-risk things that you shouldn't be doing, and they'll actually have success at the beginning of the run because they're like, hey man, I'm making money, I'm doing well, but they have never disciplined profit-taking, targets, where to take profit, discipline of not FOMOing, stuff like that. And so when it all ends, they've pretty much self-taught themselves how to do things wrong, right? They're like, okay, this worked for me taking high risk during the Great FOMO, so maybe the same thing I did during the Great FOMO will work when we're correcting a correction that has been lasting. It's been going on, dude, for like 14 months now. 14-month long correction, the longest correction in Bitcoin's history. And yeah, dude. So 14 months versus 2 months. You know, you can have success, all the success in the world for 2 months, but good luck doing what you did in the Great FOMO to be successful as a trader and the rest of the time, right? So that's it. Engine's taking a break? Yeah, I bet, dude. When it running earlier? Unbelievable. So Jack Black, dude. yeah, man, just invested a crap ton of money in a laptop and an ancillary monitor so I can stream when I'm not at home for you, right? So we can look at K and C. Oh my god. It went up even more, dude. I was driving. I guess this all happened when I was driving, dude. Holy. Oh my god, man. What do you even want, man? What do you even freaking want, dude? I'm getting drunk tonight. Okay. I'm getting drunk. I told you it's like spring break, I guess. I'm preparing for next week for LA, dude. St. Patrick's Day, man. You know my first name's Patrick, right? So it's like my second birthday, dude. St. Patty's Day. So I got our entry, right? But I haven't gotten our exits, have I? I think our first one, man, was way up here, dude. And it's just because, like, I get it, right? There's nothing wrong with from the height of the structure, high to low. You could take profits. You're probably hitting some, right? Like height of the structure of the fractal that we broke out of. See, you hit the 382, the 50%. You're the closest 618. The problem is, though, dude. All right, think about it like this. Let's go to daily. You got to think about time. You're like almost selling yourself short, taking profit here. And I know it could crap out and fail. Of course, man. Of course. But swing trading, dude, it's like, and I didn't even use the wick, man. I used like the candle, the next wick, right, to be conservative on my targets. And there's nothing wrong with that. I mean, of course, people might be interpreting it this way and we might go even higher. But whatever, man. We've got plenty of good reward involved with low risk. And so, I just think like this isn't a good daily discernible swing high. That wick right there, this looks like a discernible swing high up here, right? The only one we have, and I'm saying like, oh man, take profit now, it's over, dude. It's like, is it though? Because this could extend on for like a week or two or three, dude, to get us to these targets up here. Because look, think about it like this, man. This was May of 2018, dude. May. Dude, it's March now of 2019. It's been almost a year we've been doing this. So for you to like say, all right, that's it, I'm done, I'm taking my profit. It's just like you're selling yourself short because like everything's relative to the time of development, right? So like it took us a year almost to break out of the structure and we create this wedge and we're running the upside. Do you think we're going to get there overnight? Dude, it could take us, again, weeks to get to these targets up here. So, I'm just saying, man, it's slower. It's slower going, man, but some people like the city, some people like the country, man. You get it. Smart Crypto Bot, what do I think about Chainlink? I think you shill the living crap out of it every single stream, dude. And you don't say anything else but stuff about Chainlink, okay? Do you work with their marketing department? Look, man, you're like putting me in a corner here. I keep looking at what you say every time. You say something about Chainlink, and I'm like, I'm just going to ignore it. But now I'm like, okay, I'm going to actually call you out on it. That's not like being part of a community, man. When you just spam talk about Chainlink every stream, man. It's like, that's not how you do social interaction, man, okay? It's not how you get me to be cool. Someone posted a video about KNC. After it popped. Good for them. Whatever. No, you're good, William, dude. No, there's nothing wrong with that. Again, like, right? What I just talked about. We could fib from the 4 hour, the height of the structure to the low, and you've hit like the 50%, and you're close to the 618. That's it. There's nothing wrong with that, dude. I'm just saying, like, you need to just zoom out, look at the context of the pattern development, the time, the chronological aspect of the pattern's development, all right? Whatever it is. Been live now 33 minutes, If you're enjoying this live stream, hit that like button, that bell, that sub. Alright, man. I'm just kind of pre-gaming over here with my beer. Sweet. Very cool, man. Sorry, like as soon as I got here, I started setting up a stream and then hit live, dude. So. Ice Digi, man. Have a good one, dude. Kangs, you told me how to say your name, but like too much alcohol. You know, they triggered my variations last night twice, and I had to chug 2 beers on stream of that 5-hour marathon. Hey, that's the beauty of it, William. Do you have to really know anything about KNC? I don't know much about KNC, dude. Sometimes I confuse it with KMD, Komodo, the exchange, because the tickers. And I don't care. Do we care? No. That's crypto, man. Mostly everything is a scrub, right? So, like, you just rely on the TA. You can learn about the cryptos, right? And that's why we have like cool people like Box Mining. They do really good due diligence on that stuff, and that's why there's like yin and yang, man. There's like people that do the fundamentals and people do the technicals, man. All right. Travels are good. It's like getting really cold and it's rainy and it's thundering and lightning. And dang, dude, is Stream Elements even working? Subs? I don't even know, dude. All right, someone want to like test that? Okay. It's whatever, dude. I think dash at target, like for the bottom of the triangle, maybe? Yeah, not yet, not yet, not yet. Just hit that entry. Alright, this is one of those we talked about. It could be changing it up, man. Momo shift, right? Look at this huge sell-off. This sell-off's been going on since late December of 2017. Okay, long time, dude. And look, so selling, look at this low, look at this low. Look how far away they are. And now look, you broke the downsloping structure and look at the low, man. This low to this low, slightly lower low. Bullish divergence on the daily RSI. Now you're forming a triangle and you actually already broken this down sloping little structure. The angle of descent wasn't nearly as bad. And you know, people could argue and say, hey man, it's just a wedge, man. It's just like KNC. Right? Okay then, whatever. Fine. Go ahead. Call it that, man. We can do it just like that. But it's beautiful because we had the nice heart line support on the channel. See, it's like you already broke out of that little wedge, that downsloping price contraction. You're out. And you'll see that, man. You'll have a wedge, you'll go into price contraction. You're almost to the, I mean, you're like 85% of the way to the maturation of the symmetrical triangle pattern development.
Veach ain't doing things.
Oh, you kidding me? Jeez, this variation is bugged.
$25. I'm off tomorrow and I'm just glad to be here with my TA friends.
God.
And Mitch, keep working on this new thing, the TA Roadshow. Drink. Much love you all.
TA Roadshow, I like that. God, Skyward, man. I'm gonna chug a beer, man. Great, dude, and great. You know what? This is like the last water beer in this house. There was only IPA beers, dude. Jeez. Dude, that's like a 10% chance, and he gets it on the first one. And just like yesterday, I think the same thing happened. Something's bugged, man. Something's going on. as our president would say. Something's going on. All right, I'm screwed. I'm screwed. All right, hold on a sec. Let me go get the beer. I'll be right back. Hold tight. Enjoy the sights and the sounds of the dash and the fish. Be right back. No, I had to like really discuss what's going on, like give context to why I'm having a chug of beer, right? Welcome. Well, I'm back, so welcoming myself or something, dude. Maybe we should just like look at B&B, the cup with handle, while we chug. There you go. Sorry, our own coffee. I don't have the. Oh my god. I was doing that, whatever, man. We got this, man. Best artist North America, Kappa. Oh my god, dude. Just going single glass blend. Single blend cup. Alright, dude. Well, Skyward Man, thanks for killing me, dude. Give me wreck, man. Alright. This is not going to be 3-second chug, dude. Like, okay, man. Alright. Maybe you're enjoying the chugging, the Capricorn, the weekend, the remote streaming. Hit that like button, that bell, that's up. Also, if you're liking the fish. Okay, man. Holy crap, man. It did hurt, Sticky E, man. I think it's because, like, I chugged 2 beers last night, and I'm chugging again. This stupid variation is not 10% right now. It's so bugged out. Please clap. Alright, B&B, dude. Hit that, wow, exceeded the 1618. And down a joint.
Chugged like a boss.
Dude, that was not bossish right there, dude. That was rough, dude. If it comes up, I'd chug again. I know, Phil, man. But we know that was it, man. Like, we know, like, no one else is gonna play the game, dude. All right, Phil. Man, that's a really nice handle, dude. I'm very surprised, dude, about that. Chugging beers with Mitre. Hey, what about Capricorn, man? Box mining, dude. All the good stuff too, man. The TA, the Gartleys and the divergences. All the good things, dude. So B&B, man, all time freaking highs, man. We did it. Try anchor, man. What's happening, dude? Oh, see, look at that. 1 and 2 on the bottom, 3 on the top. Exceeded it. You broke. See, that's the thing, man. Any reasonable, rational person would be like, okay, man, the 1618, it's at the very top of the upsloping structure, right? Well, there you go, man. Like, you're actually bouncing off of it. You're overbought still, even after some pullback, dude. All right.
You reckon Dean big city folks can tell you're from Greenbow, Alabama? Just be careful. They don't welcome those Nutella eating kind. Just chug one and you'll fit right in.
The Nutella people, man. Oh my god, Rob Hardy. Thanks for the 3333. Scary stuff, man. Dude, my heart like sinks a little bit at a time when that happens, dude. Much love. Yeah, I don't know, man. All these city slickers out here, dude. City slickers. Can someone tell me why they're called slickers, man? Sounds really weird, but nothing weird about the beautiful, steamy cup of handle with Binance coin. 40,000 sats, the psychological resistance we had right here. That's where the top of the steam is of this nice coffee, man. Irwin coffee. I'd say we got close enough to it, did we not? If we zoom in, what did we hit literally on the dot? Like 39,811, dude. Right around that. Look, measure move, dude. It's like you couldn't ask for much more, okay? You could not ask for much more, dude. Holy crap. Yeah, I'm a little, it's like PTSD scarred, man. It's okay, I'm a big boy. I'm not going to be like upset if someone tips me 25 or 33 and the variation goes off. I'm not going to like complain. I will like be like, God, but I'm not going to like not do it, dude. I'm a grown-A man. Okay. Litecoin Maximalist. Is that real? Dude, I don't know, man. $26, $27, $28. The little zone of entry for Litecoin was kingage, dude. Look where we are now. Okay. Just breathing in. 114 watching right now. Let's get a like spike going. A like spike for BNB. Okay, it needs your support. But you could certainly assume that this would be it for a while, and some major retrace would start occurring after a measure move cup with handle and a 40,000 sat range has been hit. I mean, you just think, man, you think every time. But maybe it might be interpreted this way. If you do it like this, we have not yet hit that pinnacle. Yes, you. Oh my God, ladies and gentlemen, there it is. There it freaking is. Okay, you just do one and two, and here's three. Holy crap! And the four on the bottom from December 5th, dude, or 3rd. That's it, dude. Dude, that's like crazy, man. All right, dude. We know the South Koreans have it channeled this way. Anchor point 1, January 5th, 2018. Anchor point 2, January 20th, 2018. December 2nd, 2018's third anchor point. All right, so there you go, man. Beautiful, dude. Freaking beautiful. No, they had slick back hair. Okay, King Logan. Thanks, man. BNB film up where the chart Yeti. What happens at the end? Normally major retrace, 50%, 60% retrace. Sell off anywhere, you know, any of these areas, man, anywhere down here. As long as you stay above 21,951 sats, you'll be all right. It's still in the uptrend, right? So that just means we could sell off hardcore. Jeez. Oh my God, there's Dentacoin. On Dentacoin, dude. Y'all really want me to taunt y'all and be like, you can't make me chug another beer. You wish you could make me chug another beer, but you can't. You know you can't. Okay, so I'm trying to think. No, what's BTC? Jeez, man. Look at that. Daily time scale. Beautiful. Sorry, man. You know what's happening, dude. What's happening now? Bearish divergence. Now it's not over, but it will be soon. All right. Look, man. You're at the top of the structure 1 and 2 and now 3. You got bearish divergence on both oscillators. What else do you have? You have receding volume. And no real formal pattern, right? I mean, ascending broadening wedge, which we know could fall pretty hard. So just being at the top here, it's beautiful. And we know, let me give, I hate how that works, but for the height of the structure we had been in since February of 2018 to the low, we've retraced nearly 50%, in between 382 and the 50% right now, which is the golden zone. We know that, right? Go to the floor. Ladies and gentlemen, here's your ascending triangle. Here's your Kangage, your measured freaking move. Oh my god, dude. Wow. Wait a second. Why would this be showing up? Daily only. Alright, perfect. So, really, man, look, in the short term, convergence kind of on the 4 hour, but the daily is showing some really nice bearish divergence. So, impending price action reversal. After hitting a measured movement, ascending triangle, what do you want to do? All right, it's just crazy at the top of that channel. Time to pull back, retrace 50%, 60% of the way, maybe even back test the triangle's old resistance, and then run again. Right, nothing wrong with that at all. Jeez. What's up, Anthony, dude? You're drunk? Nice, man. Jared says, I won't what, dude? Is it smart that you went all in on vet instead of inch? No, dude. It's not smart ever to go all in on anything, ever, okay? Thanos TA. Everything balanced, man. That's right, ATL, Crypto Day, man. That's where we are. It's getting really cold, dude. Better close this freaking window. You don't know what bearish divergence means? It's okay, dude. Divergence, simply put, is when you have... Well, that hotkey's not set up. Divergence is like, say price is up here, oscillator here. When your price does this, and your oscillator does this, right? So if you have like higher highs on price, and you're making lower levels of positive momentum or lower levels of relative strength, that's bearish divergence, because you're diverging. Your price is diverging from your oscillator, okay? That's what it means. And when you see that, that normally signifies, to a degree, impending price action reversal soon. It's coming. But it's not here yet. It has not happened. But it helps give us vision that a move would be happening to the downside. So it's like protecting you from getting wrecked, right? Same thing with on the other side, right? So when you have lower prices, and then you have like lower levels of negative momentum or higher levels of relative strength, no, it is converging. You can see these two lines converging. They're diverging away from each other. They're doing different things. So it's a form of divergence. So it's like bullish divergence, right? That's what divergence means, dude. Okay, that's it. When oscillator and price diverge away, when they separate, when they go their way. It's like, think about like an ascending, broadening wedge. The two trend lines diverge away. You're only dumb because you say you're dumb, Crypto Dave, man. Don't call yourself dumb, man. Self-depreciation's not healthy. Yeah, Waves platform, all in. Scour's got 15 people over. Party, dude. Lampshade on the head. What's an oscillator? An oscillator is something that like shows your momentum, your price action. Or not your price action, sorry. It shows your momentum or your strength, or shows it's like the Shike and money flow. Anything that you know is secondary to price, right? Another type of indicator, all right? That's what an oscillator is. There's a lot of them. There's so many. What's up, Ernesto, dude? Okay, hang on. I'm trying to think here, man. I don't have like any. I feel so naked, dude. Deprecation, is that what it is? Not depreciation? Well, you're like inverse appreciating yourself, right? So you're depreciating yourself. Holy crap, dude.
Jack Black tipped $25. Hope you enjoy your time with your boys. Couple of drinks from yours truly.
Jack Black coming out here now. Thanks for 25, dude. Much love, dude. Kangage, man. You almost got me, dude. You almost got me, but John Mayer said, no, not yet. You shall not chug again right now. Thank God. So, thanks, dude. Yeah, but we're gonna see how it goes, man. But mainly the criteria of this trip is just to explore where I maybe want to reside next, right? Crypto Dave answered the question before you even could type it out. Get wrecked. No, Dan, no, he did not trigger it. That's just another variation we have, making fun of Vetmin Boy, our very own Vetmin Boy. Yeah, Tamagotchi coin, dude. Holy crap, man. Alright, Julia, you're next, man. Woman. Dude, it's like freaking cold, man. Hold on, let me try to close this window, dude. It's killing me, dude. Wow, did I not mute my mic? Well, okay. God, dude, I thought I muted it and I didn't. I'm used to pushing a button on my stream deck. How do I like Atlanta? Such a good price for homes. Yes. Dude, I'm definitely not getting a home here yet, dude. I have no idea if I want to like settle down here, dude. I'm literally just branching out in the world. Okay. There's just so many places I've yet to see. Okay. I am from Zamunda, or Zamunda, or whatever. I don't know how do you say it anymore. Anyway, go to Neo, whatever, dude. There's your Neo, dude. Okay. Thank God.
You sure you want to attempt it again, Mitch?
I mean, like, whatever, Julia. It seems like it's a recurring thing. If I chug once, I'm going to have to chug again. That's the second... dude, last night was the second time I've had to do that. So, like, am I sure I want to attempt it again? I mean, look. It's whatever, dude. It sucks, but it's a quicker way to pregame, right? I guess. Bright side. Thanks, Julia. For the 33-33 repeating, of course. You went with the higher percentage chance. You were really going for it, weren't you? Thanks, Julia. I think that's it, though, right? That's probably it. That's probably the last stand of y'all. Y'all's last stand to get me to chug. I understand, but look, Neo Man, right? What do we kind of establish here? Not really that great, okay? Like, before we had this huge pump, this huge one green candle and then dump, like the close in reverse, we were wedging. And now you could just say it's a bear pole bear flag. Because the lines, once you anchor 1 and 2, the top, they become parallel with each other, and that's just flagging after an impulse. So it's not really that bullish. It's really not, though it could continue running up. Yeah, sure. Look, I like how we pivoted here, made a higher low right at that 200 moving average on NEO. Now running again, but how are you going to make a higher high than this, dude? Take a while. And you might just make a lower high here and then sell off again. And I'd love to see what we would do at $7.77, man. Right at that bottom trend line of the potential pattern. Montana, man! Holy
Hi,
crap.
Julia.
Dude, Montana, dude. Thanks for being here on the first ever traveling TA show, man. I don't know if I should change it and like make it its own category, right? But because it's like, it's not too different from what I do every night anyway, or every day and night. So it's like, because we're doing TA, all that, but I'm just not home. So, dude, Montana, thanks for 3330. Almost got me, dude. You almost got me. And he says, hi, Julia. Thanks for being here, Montana, on a special, very special night, man. Special to me anyway. So, means a lot, dude. Hope you've been working hard and staying true to your purpose in life, man. All right, whatever that may be. All right. As for everyone, if things aren't going well for you in life, remember, work on your purpose. If you don't have purpose in life, you have to find it. You have to, man. And no one's gonna find it for you but yourself. Yeah, Julie got a chug last night. Yeah. Do I have to show ID when I buy alcohol these days? Yeah, as of late. Yeah, absolutely. Ever since I shaved, man, I look like I'm 12, dude. Seriously. Phil, man, I think they're done. Like, I might be wrong. I'll check it out real quick. Seriously think they're done, dude. Streamlabs, like, there's a big issue Logan was saying with like the swipe card or shift card, whatever. Oh my god, dude.
Julia Julia sponsored Chug.
Ravar, man, making my heart sink, man. Dude, thanks for 3333 repeating, of course, dude. The big old Tron Connect in the jar. Y'all are gunning for me so hard right now. Oh my god, dude. Thanks, Ravar, man. And Montana, and Julia, and Skyward, and everyone. You're amazing. But yeah, dude, I mean, like, that's really what life is, man. You get too caught up on, like, a girl or something. Like, the grieving sucks at the beginning. And, like, I'm just talking about for me, too. Like, I was seriously caught up on her, you know, right? But it's like, it's just stupid to do that, like, rationally. Because, like, look, I'm, like, in Atlanta, and, like, I haven't thought about her, like, one time today. Like, not even once. It's just, like, you know, we're talking about this stuff now, of course, but it's just only to create a little conjecture with you. There's just so much out there, so much in life to be caught up on one thing to keep you so down. And it's not the present that is making you sad. It's just thoughts of the past and worries of the future that makes you feel bad, right? And so really, I mean, like, y'all have got me through a lot, right? It's everything this past year, and it's just, this is so special, man. I can't wait to see where we are in another year from now. It's gonna be really fun, really cool. Yeah, the 333 is scary, super scary, dude. So many hot girls in Atlanta. I think you're right on that. I haven't been to Atlanta. I have to come to Atlanta every time I travel, fly, but truly visiting, it's been a while. So, what happened, Phil, dude? No! God! Are you kidding me?
Montana tip $33.
Son of a god!
A/BTC thoughts.
God! We're gonna have to do something, man. There's no more water beers here, okay? No more water beers. Montana, thanks for 33. Repeating, of course. There's something up. Something's going on. Something's going on. Well, Montana, man, what I was just thinking here that maybe, just maybe, we could sell off to between, I'll get the beer, 970 to 995, 1,000 sats. And you might get some crazy large inverse head and shoulders, but if we don't get there, it's even better, man. There's more forms of accumulation. It looks like almost a double bottom of some sort, right? The low, see this low and this low. You're not really showing divergence, are you? I mean, like, but from this low to this low, like, look, if you do it like this, man, yeah, doing that, okay. But it's not the low that is the same low, right? The same low is like, it's like convergence, right? So it's not really your strongest double bottom divergence, right? God! James Glenn, I'm sorry to hear that, man. Well, she didn't deserve you anyway, man. You don't want to be with people like that, dude, okay? People that are deceptive. People that lack integrity. That's not someone you want to spend the rest of your life with, so you may have really lucked out. And the way you look at it is, you just think about the positives, like what did that relationship teach you, right? Just think about it. How did you grow as a person being in a relationship, having to deal with the crap you had to deal with her? What did you learn, right? If you learned something, it's not a big deal, right? Something about learning how to trade, right? As long as you learned about something and it cost you money and you lost out, hey, it cost this much money to learn that education, right? Dallas, me being famous, that's hilarious, dude. That's never happening, dude. But and it's really nice though. It's really nice being like a hidden thing, like me being hidden, like where you know, not a billion people know that I exist is kind of fun. It's kind of nice, man. It's like I get to read chat and I get to engage with really cool people around the world, where if I'm famous, that's going to be really tough. It's going to be hard to manage, more difficult to manage. But I can assure you, if that ever did happen, which, again, I'll believe it when I see it, none of y'all will be forgotten, dude. Okay. Let me go get this beer from Montana, dude. Shoot. Hold tight, you kings and queens. Sit back, relax, enjoy the sights and the sounds of the ADA inverse head and shoulder, potentially with some fish jams, dude. WRAY. All right. I don't know what I'm gonna do, man. But this is not a water beer. This is a beer that might be fruity tooty, and it might not be something I even want to drink. Because the only thing I want to drink in that fridge in there is a double IPA, and I sure as heck am not chugging a double IPA. God. This variation thing's killing me, man. 33%. What is it? 15%, 10% my butt, man. Oh. Dude. So heavy beer. What's happening in chat? I'm letting this foam die down, please. Oh my God, man. Montana, man, what happened, dude? I thought we was friends, man. Alright, anyway, so yeah. Nearly radiated BTC to hit down to 1,000 sats, but we might not get there. Alright. This almost looks like a beautiful developing double bottom. And yeah, that's it, dude. Alright. But either way, the neckline's up at like 1337 leet sats. The leet amount of sats. You break that, dude. Smooth sailing. Around 1,800 sats. Measure move and percentage shoulders, potentially, right? God, I've never had this before in my life, dude. Conditioning, dude, set these percentage chances down to like back to like 3% again when the bull market ever comes, dude. It's called like Pog. Oh my God, Montana, dude. Montana, dude. It's hilarious, dude, that you're the one that literally you're making me chug, right? And it's Pog, dude. And we talk about Pogs all the time, dude. Where's loud? Really loud. Dang. I think that's better, man. Holy crap. Sorry about all the issues people are having out there, man. It really sucks, dude. And I feel your pain so freaking hard, dude. Alright. What do you think about Bitcoin current rising wedge? Looks bearish. I don't know. I see a bearish cyber pattern, so it's bearish too, so. Like I talk about, man, cyber patterns, that C to D a lot of times turns into a rising wedge pattern. So just like on a Gartley, a bullish Gartley pattern, that C to D turns into a falling wedge pattern. And that's exactly what happened on the recent Bitcoin Gartley, right? I mean, I don't think I'm going to be able to show this, dude. Like, I'm vomit. Like, I don't want to vomit, okay? I know, Nokia, dude. I know, man. The 1 hour, I don't know, Mark, man. I'm not really concerned about the 60-minute on Bitcoin too much. It just means that we could sell off, but hopefully make a higher low on that small pattern. Pogs, baby! Eat the pocket, man! Dude, I don't know what to do, man. I'm so screwed, Montana, man. On this
Fusion
beer.
Pogs.
Fusion Pogs? What is a Fusion Pog, Montana, man? Is this some sort of new technology? Julia, don't rush me. Hello? Dude, what an interlude. Okay, dude, Montana, thanks, dude, for the pogs. About to chug a pog and vomit everywhere, all over my friends. Pledge Brothers' house. Get her done, Jack Black, dude. I'm gonna like chug like half of this and vomit, and then chug the rest. The Mitch Connect 1G project. I'm gonna get you like the Night King. It's gonna get you, dude. What you talking about, Crypto Dave, man? Now you're not talking to me, dude. My Beanie Baby's better than your Beanie Babies. No, Mark Rabat. No, I've not. Sorry. At the time of that crap, I was still super duper infatuated with just the stock market's runs, okay? Thank God. Yeah, Beer Connect. Dude, don't like hold my nose, man. Chug this one, dude. I mean, I'm not gonna chug it, dude. It's just like too heavy beer. I can already feel my stomach's like full, man. Wait, I'm telling you to get. Oh, dude, come on. Am I telling you to get wrecked? I'm not like talking to you about. I thought I was literally saying good things to you, man. Nice things. I thought I literally addressed you positively and didn't say get wrecked. Okay, never mind. Y'all are talking. My bad. This makes me sad in pants. This is that I have to chug this, dude. Dude, I'm seriously gonna chug half of it and chug half. I can't do it. I'm a vomit. I'm not gonna vomit everywhere, okay? It's unbecoming. I'm not gonna dance like a monkey either. Okay, so no vomiting and no dancing like monkeys on stream. That's where I draw the line. So stupid. Vomit coin. Decentralized vomit, dude. Yeah, that's literally what happens, dude. Alright. I don't want to do this, man. I don't want to do this, dude. Ugh. Ugh. God. I did it all, man. I did it all for the nookie. The nookie. So you can take that and stick it in your yeah. Your yeah. I'm gonna be lit, man. I'm gonna be lit up in this pace. Okay, man, what's up, dude? Triple divergence. Triple divergence on my sobriety. Bearish divergence, okay? Oh, kid, can you hear me? Hear me? Hear me? I think one of the next things I'm gonna be doing, dude, is getting like a synthesizer to where I can make my voice like echo and stuff, dude. I looked into it before, but I'm about to look into it deeper and harder. Holy crap, man. Dude. Excuse me. I'm scared, dude. I'm scared.
Mitch is a chugger of his word.
Yeah, I'm chugger my word, Greg Morgan. Thanks for the 420. It's in a giant contribution, dude. Thanks, dude. Thanks, dude.
last one did I win?
Dude, you already won, dude. I chugged Pog beer because of your tip, dude. That's like the most poetic stuff ever, man. Yes, you've already won, dude. But thankfully, thank God, you didn't just get me again, dude. That would be out of this freaking world, dude. All right. Thanks, Montana, man. I can't even believe it, dude. Thanks for the contribution, dude. Auto-tune my voice, man. Yeah, dude. It's gonna be friggin' lit. What's going on in chat, man? These vibes looking like Vibe coin. Vibe to BTC chart, right? There you go, Rob Bar, man. Rob Bar says, wow, some bitter folks lighting up the chat, thy chat. Men, women, people, we are all flawed. Just focus on yourself. Be a good person, achieve your goals, and things will work themselves out. Focus on your purpose in life, and all else will work out. It's true, man. Just focus on the task at hand. Dude. So I'm reading some stuff. I'm like, what? Chat's popping off like some of these charts, dude. Yeah. Yeah, I'm about to do stuff. Dang, I want it to switch counts. Holy crap, dude. And I will not be able to do fireworks if we ever hit 100 likes, man, okay? Sorry, dude. Anyway, so you're local on the 8s or something. Jesus, it's almost like 11 o'clock here. That's insane. I mean, like, I gotta get... How is it 10:42 here, dude? I'm back to Bitcoin real quick, alright? Alright, so Bitcoin. Oh my god, I'm so scared, dude. I'm so scared of the drop and the pop. Whatever, man. Weekend warrior stuff. Weekend warrior wickage. Who cares, man? Alright, got a long way to go. A lot of time, a lot of ups and downs that can happen in between them. We don't really care because we like significant time scales. We like pattern development. And we like waiting for our targets of entry. Positions. That's it, dude. We don't like the FOMO. We don't like the stuff in between because wicks and stupid stuff can happen, man. But hey, man, by all means, if you like the short-term, high-on crack trading, go for it, dude. We're just a little bit more patient up in here, all right? We relax. We wait for the 786 just like we waited for the 786 down here, dude. All right? You wait for like weeks. Yeah, it took like a month almost to get down here. So it's going to take some time to get here, man. It could take all month to get to the 786 on Bitcoin. That's why you don't just stare at Bitcoin. That's why you scan other charts to look for other opportunities. All right? That's it, man. Holy crap, dude. Zero Average says, yo, lingering from YouTube? What do you mean you're lingering from YouTube? Are you barely holding on, dude? Says, saying hi, love the work, you're a champ. Thanks, says Zero Average, man, for the kind words and chiming in, man. Appreciate it, dude. Always welcome here, dude. Fake voice. Yeah, Greg Morgan. This is my fake voice, man. Oh boy. What's up, Satoshi, dude? Let's stay positive. That's right. So much hostility. It's not really so much hostility. I think there's only one, as far as I see so far, there's only really like one outlet of the negativity, right? And it's unfortunate, man. So sad, girl. Sorry, I can't do fireworks, even if we hit 100. We're at 86, and I think he disliked the video. Nice. Thanks, dude. Who could actually even think that, James Glenn, like in real life? All right, y'all. Well, I hate how it's all like going, but I think what I'm gonna do is get out of here. Okay, it's starting to get up in time in my area. It's 10:45 right now. Okay, so, dude, thanks for the pregame. Thanks for the unexpected 2 chugs in like 1 hour and 31 minutes. So, y'all are amazing. I freaking love y'all.
Veach ain't doing things.
You gotta be kidding me, dude.
Montana tip
This is
$25.
wrong. There's something
Maybe
wrong
this
here.
amount will work.
There's something wrong. God, dude. What am I gonna do? Carlos Matos. What am I gonna do? No, I'm using an Asus supercomputer laptop. Speaking of crazy, Dallas, that's crazy. Montana, man, thanks for the 25 and thanks for wrecking me. This is bull crap. I want a refund. I want a freaking refund, dude. Hey, 88 likes, not bad, dude. I'm gonna be like stuff-faced when I get out of here, man. I want to curse so bad, dude. I'm not going to. I just won't. But, dude, what am I supposed to do? Is Larley still in here, dude? Larley, do you realize what I'm working with here? They've triggered the variation twice, and now they just triggered it 3rd time, dude. This is ridiculous. Okay, I'm gonna get them in here too, so they can say, hey, I'll be right back.
The instigator is eradicated. Let's have a good time. I will not judge you if you sip that beer, although you may owe Montana a mulligan.
All right, y'all. Okay, I'm back. Sorry about the wait, but you know, I'm sorry. 3 chugs. You're about to witness the 3rd one, dude. This is the first time ever. First time remote streaming like this. First time chugging 3 beers on a freaking stream. This is my pledge, bro.
Hey, what's up, folks?
Step into the webcam, say hi.
What's up, folks?
Yeah, so this is my boy. He's, you know, we've been through hell and back, and just wanted to introduce you to the man who's, you know, what is it, room and board, they say?
So graciously hosting you.
So graciously hosting me. There we go, man. All right, so he's just gonna be here, I guess, for this 3rd chug, dude. Dude, I was like literally saying, thanks so much, everybody, man.
Yeah.
For the contributions. Thanks so much for watching. And like, I was like, are getting ready, and just like, boom.
Thank you, viewers, for scaring this guy into 3 chugs.
He's grateful. He's grateful, man. God. Is there gonna be like anywhere to eat, dude? Because like I ate like on the way here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Dollar good food, for sure.
Okay.
Yeah.
God, dude, I don't want to chug this beer, man. I wanted to enjoy and sip on the double IPA. Now I'm gonna be so drunk I can't even like taste it.
Yeah, these are good beers. This is no.
Yeah, this is like yeah.
Some good Atlanta beer.
Good Atlanta beer getting chugged. I'm literally trying to gain my composure back. This is ridiculous, dude. It's like my beer chug's like 3 seconds. And ever since last night, I haven't taken like 2. And then I had to chug 1 the night before or something. Like, it's like it slowed down progressively. I'm like getting like...
So next stream you'd be up to like 4 or 5, and then 5 to 6.
4 or 5 chugs in a stream. Yeah. Montana got me, dude.
Yeah.
Yes, Montana said hi.
Yeah. Get here early, folks. The analysis trips off after the 4 chug.
I don't know, man. Sometimes I'm... It's like drunken karate, dude. Drunken TO, dude. Not bad,
So,
man. Dude, like KNC, man. This when we were looking at this little S-Coin Kyber network, it was like a falling wedge. And it was poised at daily bullish divergence on the RSI. Look at this thing. Our entry was like right here. Right?
Yeah.
And things just exploded. It's so far away though from our target. It's like a swing trade, right? Like, you know, zooming out, it's like on the daily, like the only discernible swing highs are like up here. And so like this thing's like, I don't think it's even close. It's just started, right? And so I think it would take time to get to these targets, but you're looking like 382 retrace 50% at least before selling off. But it's just crazy, man. And look at this one, right? You see it? Watch this one, dude. This is Ravencoin, the one that has gone absolutely insane, right? You burn that in your mind right there, that chart. Same thing.
Wow.
It's like, you know, you have the downtrend, then the angle of descent changed because less sellers, then the divergence, and then it is an 88% retrace from its top, dude. Just unreal. So hopefully KNC can do something like that, but I'm stalling hardcore. This sucks, dude. You think the S&P, man, you think it's topping a little bit?
It's tested.
78% retrace.
It's tested.
The all-time highs, man.
It's tested.
Well, it's like, you know, but it like gapped down, right? And like pulled back today on Friday.
So you have what, 200, 300 down total?
Yeah, it's not bad.
It's not bad.
It hadn't even on the daily. I don't even think it's.
So what's been 2 months since we were 22? So.
Yeah, December 26th.
Oh, we're in Jan, man. We're in 22s.
Oh, I'm saying like that lowest low was like December 24th or whatever, 23.49 or whatever. Yeah, dude.
22s.
20. Well, I mean, it might be just like, you know, you might 23.45. It seems like was the lowest low of the correction on the S&P, and so like you ran up and you hit like this 786, like right on the dot, 70 high to low, 70% retrace, kind of like double top, and then you were showing like some divergence on the daily time scale.
So what's interesting is you have a dovish Fed now, and you had a major miss on job numbers.
Job numbers were terrible.
200,000 or 100-something thousand.
180.
Versus 180
right?
versus 20,000 actuals. That's a big delta.
Well,
so
yeah, and
you start looking at peak, you know, kind of saturation of the labor market. It'd be interesting. I mean, what's what fuels the resurgence of the test of the?
Thank God.
Rabar tip $25.
I'm so
You are so
stalling.
stalling. Chug chug chug.
I know I'm stalling like a mother effer. But dude, we're having a good talk here, man. Are we not having a good talk, Ben?
This is a crypto chat. I'm sure they don't care about.
Hey, I've slowly but surely I've gateway drugged their butts into this market, dude. Okay, so look, man, the divergence was going on. We was straight up, man. I know, Rob, I'm a chug, dude. I guess I can just do this, man. Whatever.
My luck dukes.
Thanks, Montana, man. What was the word you just called me?
I mean, what is that? A kitty cat?
Yeah, you just call me a kitty cat. Montana, thanks, dude. The 3333. Your luck, dude. You destroyed me. Didn't you destroy me twice in this stream? That's like the best luck anyone's ever had with those, dude. Pog. This is another Pog beer. All right, Mike's back on now, dude. Oh my God, dude.
You didn't like the burps?
What is it?
You didn't like the burps?
The burps?
Burps.
Dude, the burps are terrible, dude. Good God. Oh, look, we're gonna have to hit those dislikes. The check doesn't come in. What are we at, man? We at, well, that's nice. 101 likes. Well, we know who that one dislike. There was one guy, unfortunately, came in being really misogynistic. I don't know.
It is International Women's Day, Mitch.
Dude, really? Yeah, dude. Y'all, I didn't think about that. Very good point. Dude, guy was in here talking crap about women, like hardcore, all women are that, on internet. Is it international or is it just national?
No, it's international.
International Women's Day, dude. International Women's Day.
I'm not sure any of those days would have a. Should probably just be
International.
Be respectful, you know, most of the year round would be good.
Yeah.
You know, but yeah, today is a particular. I might get pushed over the edge.
Dude, I'm like,
It's a little too much LinkedIn frenzy for him.
wait, what? LinkedIn frenzy?
Yeah, you know, like every single, you know, it's like corporate. What do they call that now? It's like social justice for corporations. So they like people go
Virtue signaling.
Yeah, but it's it's kind of like what's the corporate? It's not corporate responsibility. I'm blanking on the word right now, but it's basically corporations will say, we want to show that we're in solidarity with whatever today is International Women's Day or whatever.
Pancake Day.
Yeah, Pancake Day, Margarita Day, whatever it is, right? So they'll put kind of extra stuff out there. So he just got triggered by the influx comics of
That
women
might have been
pose.
it, dude.
Maybe that with like converging with like Captain Marvel was just too much for that guy.
Oh yeah,
So, you know.
yeah. Send him off the edge and made
Yeah.
him freak out and chat.
Yeah, well, deep one.
Dang. Well, either way, if he's listening still, dude, just focus on your purpose, dude, and just know like it'll get better, man. I know your hate and malice in your heart is not the road to getting what you want in life. All right. So, man, I wish I had like speakers. I always have speakers playing.
Those are positive vibes. Must be able to fish with it.
Dude, it is, man. The
Heady,
fish.
heady vibes, bro. Heady vibes.
Hey, man, what's up, dude? We're
Vibes.
coming in on the
Some-
fish channel,
some
dude.
Real crunchy beats, man. This is some crunchy messaging going out right now.
Dude, we're gonna ascend, man. We're gonna ascend to unknown levels, man.
We're all just people, man. You know.
gotta be good, man. Thank God.
Thank you, Montana.
John Belushi.
No, no John Belushi. You see it, dude. You're gonna know immediately. Like, that's John Belushi chugging his whiskey. You know it. Was it over when the Germans bombed
Somebody
Pearl
gets John
Harbor?
Belushi again. I'll give Mitch a glass of tequila to chug.
Yeah, all right. Not a glass. How about a shot? If it triggers, yeah, dude. I was supposed to be getting out of here, dude. Okay, man. All right.
What's Chug Day?
It finally stopped raining, so I mean, you know,
Chug
we're gonna pregame either way. So you know,
man. Woo.
it's just whether or not you get to see him suffer in person.
Yeah, it's like, do you want to see me vomit and suffer in person, or like, yeah, dude, we're. Oh my God, Montana, man, thanks, dude. Julia, thanks. Holy crap, man. See, this is like it's more fun when there's like another chair in here. You sit down, hang out, we just converse.
I feel like I'm on the JRE, man. Should we talk about aliens? Or,
We can talk about aliens. You
where's
want to talk
Eddie
about
Bravo?
aliens, man? What is it?
Where's Eddie Bravo?
Is that the guy who's this?
He's a supporting, one of the supporting cast guys on Joe Rogan Experience.
Really?
Yeah.
You don't ever really see him, do you?
There's like, he did one, the one crazy one I've seen with him is when he did, what's that guy's name? The crazy dude.
Alex.
Yes,
Jones.
Alex Jones. The first Alex Jones one. Eddie Bravo's on there, and he's.
No,
just
did you see the recent one?
I haven't seen the recent one yet. It looked funny though. The
Dude,
first one was hilarious.
it was
They just got him like
insane.
real drunk and real high, and he was just
He
like,
was dude.
Joe's like, all right, bro, you got to take this back. Like, for the people that don't know what the hell you're talking about, like, I'm gonna give a little color to what you're just like rambling. I mean, he's like, you know.
He got
They
triggered.
talk about like free writing, like, you know, like stream of consciousness writing. He does like stream of consciousness, like projection of ideas.
He just
There's
writes
no stop. It's
what he
like,
thinks.
It's like gay frogs, aliens, you know, whatever. It's like there's no stop
Water,
or context or like
something in the
anything.
water.
Yeah. So it's funny. It's hilarious though.
Dude, yeah, I don't.
It's hilarious.
It's
insane, but it's
he got triggered. Some guy was like trolling him a little bit on the show. Like someone was like sitting in with the microphone and stuff. And
Yeah.
he's like, they're already doing it. Like
It's probably Eddie Bravo.
he's flipping out. Maybe it was, dude. Was it Eddie Bravo? Who was the guy that triggered Alex Jones? Chad, in the most recent interview. I know that a lot of them have seen it. Someone said they
Actually, the one I want to see is the one with Twitter, where they have what's his name, CEO of Twitter, also former CEO.
Oh, Dorsey.
Former CEO of Square, great company.
Yeah,
By the way,
Jack Dorsey.
Montana
fun
tip
fact.
$25.
Mitch and I
Pogs.
played Ernie's on Square when it was trading sub like $12 a share.
Which one is this?
When
Oh yeah. That was when we were like
2 or 3 years ago. Yeah,
we were like, yeah,
We're like, oh,
Square.
swing trade Ernie's on
15
Square.
bucks, yeah.
$15. It was like, holy shit, pinnacle. And it's like pushing 100 now. So
Thanks, Montana, man. Oh my God, y'all.
Had 23 tip $25.
This jar's about to fill up.
Chug.
No, sorry. Thank God it wasn't, man. Dude, hey.
is that the
John
Modern
Mayer.
Family guy?
No, that's
Oh, it's John Mayer.
That's
John Mayer.
Dead Company. Yeah.
John Mayer.
But like, okay, so the inside joke. There's different variations. Like,
Okay.
if you tip $25, like Seth, who is to top Jesus, right? You can see it. He's a guy I visited in LA. One of the guys. He's like he's the big man, the boss man. But
Okay.
he looks like crazy like John Mayer. And we
Yeah.
always like make fun of him because of that.
So that's like the Seth gift, not the John Mayer.
Yeah, because like his signature is like he was always like my signature tip would be 25, right?
Gotcha.
And so like he also like his favorite blockchain is like VeChain, and so like because of him, I was like, all right, I'm gonna get my graphics guy to make a VeChain that goes in the jar, and so like now we're like branching out where the alert box gets like to where you have he hates Tom Brady, right? So
Fake chugs. It's a government conspiracy.
Fake chugs, man. Thanks, Alex Jones, for the $25 contribution, man. Holy crap, man. It's nuts, dude. So I think they like you, dude.
Yeah?
I think they like you, yeah, man. Like,
it's a little, instead of doing like the whole monologue thing, it's like a little more conversing going on.
That's all it is, man.
You know?
Like
free form, it's like you have your take, I have my take, instead of just your take all the time.
It's good for me. It's fun for me. It keeps me kind of sane.
Yeah.
Because if I think about it, I stream 14 times a week, twice a day, right?
So you're talking about Joe Rogan, right? So that's one of the things. I remember I watched the first episode, and I'm not an Alex Jones. I don't watch Alex Jones, but they were saying like people like Alex Jones, they don't have anybody else in their streams, so it's just them going off and that's why he says stream of consciousness, because he talks for 3 hours straight, right? And there's nobody else to
on his own show, yeah.
There's nobody to have a counterpoint.
It's just him with a mic.
There's no here's what we're talking about. Like, what are your thoughts on that, right? There's none of that, right? It's just straight like
it just wanders.
Just boom, 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 boom.
Rabbit hole, right?
So you break it up a little bit. You get them on shows like Joe Rogan, and it's a totally different format. You have a round table, so to speak,
and
right?
they're asking questions.
They're asking questions, or they're going. We have viewers. You have to break it up. We have to have some type of like exchange of ideas. Like you can't just like diatribe this like all the way through, right? So it's
not just you, dude. Yeah.
Exactly. So it's a very different style of delivery.
And you could tell he was not used to it on this most previous podcast.
Not at all. He was just going off. He's getting super like amped up. He's getting in like show mode, right? So,
I'd figure he would be a little better because like he can't stream on YouTube anymore or whatever, right? Like he's done. They cut his channel.
People still go to his site, I think.
Wait, hold on. Well, he might have a website, but like, let's go to YouTube.
No, he got deplatformed, I think, all around.
Yeah, he's like, Twitch. You can't make it on YouTube, dude.
I didn't ever watch his show, but I saw the news that he got deplatformed.
Alex Jones. Just typing in Alex Jones. I don't know. See, look like Joe Rogan.
Joe Rogan. It's a great show, man.
Let's get a channel though. Let's filter.
Last week tonight.
Let's see, where's
nothing
channels?
From no. He's deplatformed. Infowars is a deplatformed channel, I think.
Infowars, yeah. So he's. It's funny as rainbows.
That interview was funny as rainbows, just to say it.
Montana, dude. My bad. Montana, dude. I think I don't think I actually set up a filter on curse words, but he didn't say rainbows. He just said that Alex Jones' interview is funny as rainbows. I think Stream Elements is turning F to rainbows.
Really?
Or
this is like that's hilarious.
Yeah, because people I know I have it set up if someone tried to say the N word on TTS, it would go to rainbows or puppies.
That was old school 4chan, like B, the random board back in the day, way back in the day.
They would change it.
They used to change the just an N word.
They make someone who's very vitriolic look like a joke, right?
Yeah.
If someone's
that was the point. It was but then if you have a whole community that kind of rallies around the funniness of that,
yeah,
it kind of backfires, which is also kind of hilarious. So just use.
We do like you, Mr. Background Motel Dude. Hi, Montana.
I can't actually see anything.
She said, "We do like you, Mr. Background Motel Dude." Hi, Montana Motel Dude, because
Motel Dude.
Yeah, because I'm lodging.
I'm hosting.
Yeah,
I'm hosting here.
Yeah, he's literally.
I'm the maitre d' for tonight.
Yeah, it's the motel man.
Yeah.
It's a hotel, dude. Okay, this is over 3 stories. We're on the 6th floor right here.
Yeah.
So So, what do you think, man? I've been looking at a place. Let me tell you what I think I like a lot. And I know they have availability on the 7th floor, which is the top. I want the top floor, but I also want a corner, but I don't know if I'm going to get that. That's asking for a lot. But let me tell you, it's called Gallery 92.
Where is it?
Oh, it's in Buckhead. Here, I'll show you a picture.
That looks nice. Looks very nice. Nice courtyard.
Yeah, and I'll show you. There's pool, right?
I mean, Buckhead's a great spot to be. mean, if I was you, I would do Buckhead.
Right.
I would do Brookhaven, or I would do Virginia Highlands. But I think for you, you're gonna enjoy Buckhead more than those two, just from things to do.
Skyline.
Yeah, I mean, it's nice.
See everything.
You were at my old house. Like I used to live in like Piedmont Heights, which is in between Buckhead and Midtown. Super nice, super close to Piedmont Park. Piedmont Park's great though. Depends on what you want to do. If you want to go out and walk around the park, there's breweries out there.
I don't know what I want to
cool.
do. That's the problem.
Yeah.
Chat, I have problems, okay? I don't know what to do socially. Like, I literally, like, every relationship I had in my life before with all the networking and all, I knew, like, hundreds of people in local Birmingham, and it's like, it's all dead. All those relationships are dead because I've focused on this new thing. And, like, this thing has done awesome, but, like, professional side, wonderful, but the social side is like it needs to be born again, right?
It's a global economy, man.
Yeah, but
can't center everything around.
Socially
one
though,
way.
I need like human interaction. I need to like meet people.
Yeah.
I need to do all that, and it's not going to happen in Birmingham.
No, absolutely.
Well, it's really like I live where I live now. Do I really want to sell my house and then move to downtown Birmingham?
Fuck no.
No. So I would like want to move to like Atlanta or Dallas. Or somewhere where it's like it makes sense to like it's an actual real city versus like going downtown Birmingham.
I think Alex Jones lives in Dallas.
Oh yeah,
That'd be an interesting mashup.
Get him on the show, man. We're gonna get Alex Jones on the show, chat.
Technical analysis. Get his hot take on Dogecoin.
Alex Jones chiming in, dude.
Yeah.
The fucking aliens
Alex
are
Jones, what do you
coming.
think about that?
Wait.
What?
They're already
He
here.
doesn't want you to invade
Big
his
humans and
universe.
shit for real.
The effing aliens are
Cursing
coming.
check number one.
You gotta watch out.
What do you say? Jeez, dude. This chug game is rigged. Dude, how's it rigged, man? I've
This
chugged
chug
3
game is
times tonight, dude. 3 times, man. They're already here. The aliens are already here, Montana, okay? Pig humans and S for real. End cursing. Check number 1. What? Chug game's not rigged, Montana, dude. I can't chug every time you tip 33-33. I can... Repeating, of course. Leroy Jenkins. Remember.
Yeah, if we keep going for another, let's see, what time is it? It's 8:13. That's what time is that?
Oh, it's not. It's like I haven't even set my time up.
UTC?
It's 11:13 our time.
Eastern.
Yeah,
Okay.
Eastern.
Well, if this keeps going for another 7 minutes, then I'm gonna make Mitch take a shot at tequila.
You know what's hilarious, dude?
You hear that, everybody? Alex Jones, there's no fluoride in that drinking water.
No, I'll take it. Look, the next time if Belushi, is it John Belushi? If John Belushi triggers again, I'll take a shot of tequila, which you know I hate tequila. They know the stories. The aversion. This scared the crap out of me because they're serious, dude.
Jealous that your Airbnb host is so accommodating and joining your steams.
Joining my Steams, Rawbar. I'm sorry. Are you joining my Steam, dude?
What?
He said, joining your Steams.
Steams, huh? Like
Well, I think he meant streams.
streams? Yeah, steams.
Yeah, dude, Rawbar, man, come on, dude.
Yeah.
Come on, dude. Proofread. Gotta get a proofreader, dude. Man, Kappa. It's okay, dude. Thanks for trying to wreck me, everybody. I don't even know what to say anymore, man. This is ridiculous. Oh, look, but
I'm
look.
a man of the people. I want to help them.
Yeah, okay, he wants to help y'all wreck me. Okay, that's great. Well, if John Belushi shows up again, yeah, okay, we won't do... I don't want to... Dude, I don't have the stomach to have another bunch of beer and carbs. I'll just do a shot of tequila.
Wait, why could he say shit but I can't say joyful?
Dude, I don't know. I don't know what rainbow...
It's like context clues. What does rainbow mean?
Dude, I don't know. Like, because it's random. I think that it's like random. Like, if there's a certain word, dude, I don't even remember. All I remember is the N word, putting in the N word, the different variations of the N word, and that was it, really.
Different variations.
Yeah, because there's the A and the R. I just
okay.
made
Gotcha.
both of those say rainbows or puppies or something.
Okay.
If someone said it. But I don't remember. I think maybe if I said the F, I think the F word might be in the variation pool for that.
Okay.
My God. Dude, what are y'all doing, chat? What the is going on right now?
What's going on?
Yeah, dude, seriously. This is great, man. This is fun. It's fun having conjecture, man.
Yeah.
Dude, think about this, man.
Give the people what they want, Mitch.
Dude, I don't know what do you want? They obviously want me to chug again and get S-faced in hot Atlanta, dude.
S-faced.
This whole town is whack.
That's the most G-rated version of that I've ever heard.
What?
S-faced.
Yes, yeah, I have to. I don't really curse. I literally don't curse on stream.
You need a 7-second delay is what you need.
What would that do though?
Well, it gives you the option to bleep out yourself, so you don't have to.
Dude, that's so much work though. How do I bleep myself out, dude?
It'd be much easier for me to do that than say S-faced.
If you know how to bleep me out,
that.
I know how to do the delay, but if you know how to literally in that 7 seconds, see, there's already a 20-second freaking delay. It sucks, right?
Really?
Yeah. Well, for anything, think about live TV or anything. It's like that. From like the station to like a home, like in Wisconsin or Cali, like it's going there. It takes 20 seconds from when it actually happens to get there. So there's a natural 20-second lag just despite anything. So even with no lag, I get a 20-second lag. It's stupid. So if I had 7 seconds, a 27-second lag. I don't even know. We're trying to wreck me. Yeah, okay, I can tell. I can tell, man. God.
Do it.
Gingerly trying 25 this time.
Well, you know, Montana, the percentage chance is greater on 33-33, right? So 25 is a 10% chance, and then the 33-33 contribution is a 15% chance. So whether you want to do VChain or Tron, emoji balls, it's up to you, man. All right, so hey, yeah, but dude, you got me on the 25 earlier. Dude, I think I keep seeing like I'm redlining really hard on my microphone. It's like
way close.
Yeah, I'm close, but dude, like I'm pretty, like normally I have issues like not getting close enough at home, and it's like right here.
I wonder if they like sound like really faint. I have no idea how it sounds.
I don't have a sound popper on this one.
Yeah,
that's what. So I have like I normally have this thing that covers.
The room is not super furnished right now, so it's like it might be like kind of echoey. I'm not really sure how the acoustics in here are.
How well can y'all hear Ben? Chat.
Or was it more just me throwing hand signals?
It could be your expressive personality.
Could be.
Kappa.
Yeah.
Right. Dude, yeah, I mean, dude, like, well, the problem is the way I have my new setup, my mic at home, the microphone, the arm will like it'll be on this table over here on the left, it'll come across sideways. So if I do this, I've been hitting it. Yeah. It's like been ear raping the whole chat.
Yeah.
So I can't. I want to be expressive too because it's really good at conveying messages.
So just so y'all know, the next investment on the chat is going to be an actual boom guy who's going to stand behind Mitch and make sure that.
Wait, did you ever see The Office? I can't remember.
The Office, the show?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Remember Brian?
I think I've seen one or two.
The boom guy, everyone hates him. He's all in Silicon Valley. Yeah. He's funny in that, but he's a big D word in.
Which D word?
D-O word. D-O-U-C-H-E.
There you go.
Whatever, man. So it's weird, dude. So we'll have dude, people have like their kids watch this shit. Like, so like I
start them young on TA, right?
Huh?
Start them young on the TA.
Dude, yeah. Seriously, like
ascending wedge play.
Hey, risk management at a young age. What? We were supposed to teach them about Ice Poseidon and doing stupid things, not responsible risk aversion methods. No, dude, it's supposed to be stupid. Fortnite, and Apex is the new one. You know Apex?
No.
You heard of it? Apex is like, so you know Fortnite was like, it grossed like $3.5 billion last year. Right? $3.5 billion last year, right? Yeah. You know Binance coin we were talking about?
Yeah.
They only grossed $1 billion last year, right? So like Fortnite, like, you know.
The volume of Fortnite's crazy.
Well, the thing is, Apex, EA, knocked it off. Oh yeah, they knocked it off hardcore. They knocked it off, they made it like Halo meets Call of Duty meets Battlefield meets Fortnite. All four of those games converged into one on Apex, and dude, they're killing.
I wonder why they call it Apex.
Apex Predator, Apex.
Well, I was thinking like the Apex is like the top, right? The top
pinnacle,
convergence of different paths. You have.
Dude, yeah, well, I would say Apex Predator because it's like, hey, you had a good run, you grossed a lot of money, but we will take over now. F it. You like the $100 variation saving it? Jalen Tyler? Gingerly just drink something.
Montana tipped $100.
Double IPA.
FIT Rainbow.
What's that?
Gingerly just drink
You want to
something.
get a double IPA together?
Are we chugging? What's going on?
No, I'm chugging. No.
You want to grab something?
Jeez, Rob. Yeah, you want to just open up?
Maybe fake chugs, but at least I'm supporting your hotel/motel payments to landlord Ben.
What's going on here?
Spell
What
check
is
Read it.
sponsor board tip.
Sponsor.
Wow.
Spell check.
Nice.
I didn't know that
Bellboy.
spell check was a publicly
That's
traded
kind of spelled
company.
like an F boy. Am I supposed to take the fence out, Rob?
What is this? What is it? Where? It's right here. It's always going to show up here. So what was it? F boy?
No, Bellboy. But he's spelled with an L-I.
Landlord. No, you're landlord. You're not
Oh.
landlord, Ben. That's
Yeah, I was thinking about
it says what? Oh, chat. Yeah, you can see chat here
Oh, yeah.
or there. This is just showing me literally what they're seeing, right?
Okay.
And then like normally I'll have up like literal YouTube chat, but I can't. I'm like limited. Now, dude, I should. Dude, this is like very close to my entire setup at home.
Yeah,
right?
it's
Like,
not
I
bad.
have
Well, you're
fun-
missing a monitor because I broke my HDMI to USB-C adapter.
It happens.
But, other than that, yeah, it's pretty good. So double IPAs.
Yeah, you want to, man?
Yeah.
I'll just drink out of the can, dude. Whatever, man. I'll go with you. What do you want me to do?
I'll grab two.
All right, man. This is ridiculous, man. Y'all are killing me, man. What? WTF is going on here, Crypto Cotter? I don't even know, man. I don't even know what's happening, man. You'll be the boom man, Skyr dude, John dude. Come on, Kangs. I don't know, Montana. He's trying to boom me, trying to wreck me, dude. I told you if John Belushi happens, just tequila shot at this point. We're literally, we've surpassed all the Marvel movies. We're in the Avengers Endgame. Okay, we're in the Endgame now, dude. All right. We're at the point where Walter and Gus, things are untenable in the Breaking Bad world. All right, that's where we are. Hello. Do you like my scrubby 720p Mudman? I'm a robot. I am from 1997, dude. No, it's Fork Night, Jack, man. Jack Black's Fork Night with a K. Okay. Apex Legends. Sorry, the game's actually called Apex Legends, not Apex.
All right.
That was just
For the
wrong.
uninitiated,
Yeah.
Transmigration of Soul is brought to you by Orpheus.
Orpheus, not Morpheus,
Orpheus.
but Orpheus.
Yeah. No red pills or blue pills. Just
Well, we can look at Neocoin. Neocoin would be interesting. Dude, this was an insane trade we had. But, dude, it's not even close. We had, how do we have this one? Oh, man, 4 hour.
it's delicious.
Dude, we had an insane trade on this one, dude. And it went way higher than our targets, our 3 targets, dude. Yeah, we had it like this, where our entry was down here at like $6.80,
Yeah.
and our last target ended up being like $9.60 or something, and or maybe it was like the last target was like $9. I can't remember. I think one of these, I can just look it up, dude.
Yeah.
It's real easy. Discord. See what I love? It's like I don't even think about. I have a PC. Dance Scour, man. I like
I'm
that.
trying to figure out if you won this round or not.
Dude,
I say get trapped.
I think I won because I have not quit.
I like that verbiage, untenable good storytelling.
Oh my god! To Jesus champs, man. Hold on. Dude, Montana, man. You like the verbiage, man? Well, I love you, dude. Okay? Montana, man. Alright. I get to actually sip a beer for like at least 2 seconds.
Yeah.
Two
pretty
of
good.
the many seconds I've been streaming. Because it's literally, I haven't had the only beer I had this whole stream to enjoy was the first Miller you gave me.
Yeah,
I
which is not a great
I was like sipping on that
It's
for
like
like
water beer. It's
for
like
like
water.
40 minutes. I was sipping on
Which
that.
is
right?
impressive because you typically get warm wine centered in that.
Well, your koozie helps keep it cold.
Yeah.
So the colder the temp, right?
Yeah.
You can't taste it as much,
Sure.
right? Like a cold, like what, fountain water, if it's really ice cold, you can't taste it. But what is, remember like you wake up, and you have it, and you're just like, this doesn't taste very good.
Yeah, it's terrible.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
disgusting.
Because like the temp is room temperature now, but like the hotter something is, the colder something is. Evidently, our taste buds are manipulated, but it is freaking room temperature, dude.
Yeah, it's disgusting.
Yeah, it's so weird, man, how that is. Think about it. That's like all we do now. All we do as humans is like, even if it's sushi, right? I mean, like sushi room temperature is decent, right? Would you agree? It's okay.
Well, there's a little more of a biological component to that, right?
Yeah.
It's cold sushi. You're preventing bacteria growth. Warm sushi, you're inviting germs
Yeah.
that can
But like what?
screw you.
What food that I'm talking like meats or like something that doesn't have tons of preservatives, like Cheetos or something, Doritos, like a chip, something like you would go to eat a meal. What is good?
What's good warm for room temperature?
At room temperature? Yeah.
Pizza.
Pizza?
Oh yeah.
Dude, I like hot pizza.
See,
And some people
I mean,
like
that's
cold
fine.
pizza, right?
There's things to be said about varying degrees of temperatures on pizza. I like hot pizza. I really
You
like
like-
cold pizza.
oh, room
and I like
temperature
room temperature
pizza?
pizza too. Yeah.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Very interesting.
Yeah.
Are you sorry, I'm like looking at this. Are you gonna get a surge protector?
There's already one Technic weight right there. It's
Oh.
my surge protector. It's just hooked up to my monitors.
Are you sure a real surge protector
It is
protects against surges?
like actual like get struck by lightning
Yeah.
surge. Yeah.
See, I thought those were just extenders. These
No,
are just like
that one's an actual surge. So this is like step one since I built the table, finished last weekend. Step two is I'm buying a really nice surge protector, 8-foot cord. I'm gonna actually attach it to the back of the table on one of the aprons. Run the it'll have different spaced out cords for the actual monitor like adapters. Then it'll have 6 other ports plus 2 USB ports, so I can charge iPhones, iPads, whatever I want, jetpacks on the USB, and then everything else. Everything else I
Jetpacks.
can do with outlets. So it'll be nice and tidy.
Have you seen the new forearm jetpacks? Where like it's like Mega Man, like
Yeah. So yes,
the power comes off.
when I said jetpack, I meant like a mobile Wi-Fi hotspot.
Oh,
But
okay.
also yes, jetpacks. I've seen those too.
My bad. I've never
They're both
heard.
cool.
I've never heard a jetpack.
Yeah, man. They're both
Technology.
cool. Verizon. It's crazy. It's
Wait,
in the traveling business.
So what happens if I get a jetpack? Your jetpack you're talking about.
So the jetpack I'm talking about, if you have Verizon, you can just turn it on and you basically utilize LTE to convert to Wi-Fi. So instead of using your phone, you have a jetpack that converts that for you.
I need to get that.
Yeah.
How much is it?
I don't know. My company pays for it.
I gotta get my company paid for.
It's not that expensive. I mean, you pay for the
Probably $100.
You pay for the hardware, maybe $50, $100, and you pay for service on
Why not?
Why not what? Wait. So I get triggered by vague pronouns, and everyone knows
it.
it.
You
They-
call like what? Like call you?
it or
It.
they'll like I'll read through chat and someone will be like, I don't understand it, and I don't know what they're talking about. Like, what is it? When someone says why not, it's not as though there's some sort of vague pronoun there, but it's super vague, man, and it gets me, Montana, dude. It
Like
gets
which,
me.
Like which why?
Yeah, it's like, what are you talking about? I just don't understand, man. Dude, this is why I share. It'd be so nice, man. You brought a lot of quality to this stream, dude. I'm just saying, man. Like dude, I'm telling you, I think they like you, dude. It's not your fault, but
It's,
I think we're getting Ben, man. Landlord Ben. That's his his new name, dude. Landlord Ben, dude. Mobile hotspot, man, Nokia, dude. You know all about the hotspots, Nokia, dude. Because your literal name's Nokia, dude. You could also be like Fort Knox, because no one can break a Nokia. Hey, Billy, man, what's up, dude? Hey, Montana, dude. I can't even believe this, man. I should have on a Vet Moonboy hat right now, or like a wizard hat, or a Viking hat. Both of us chug? Hector, man, I'm sorry, dude. Until the variation goes off, man, I don't think so, dude. I've already chugged 3 beers, man. It's already a record. Okay. Coppa squat. There it is, man.
computer shares on deck.
There it is, man. Fantastic.
The double IPA, I kind of have to have a chair.
It's
not
like I know you're comfortable, but you're like literally
Yeah.
standing, and it's like
Not super comfortable.
you could be more comfortable.
With double IPA, could be.
Dude, this is so lit, dude. Oh my god, dude. The remote streaming. This is the first one ever, dude. Okay, the first one.
Yeah. What's the feedback on the remote stream?
Yeah.
The
Can we get some
general
feedback?
audience.
Chat, please let us know. We've been live now 2 hours and 17 minutes. Hit that like button, that bell, that sub, and oh my god.
Jar's full. Did you bring the hat?
Just so
No, I didn't bring the hats.
Just so everyone knows, if he has a chug, I'll get a fresh double IPA for him to chug. He has to still finish the one he's drinking now.
Are you gonna chug a double IPA?
No, absolutely not.
Look. It is a thing now. If it hits, John Belushi hits one more time. It's tequila time. Tequila shot.
Yeah, it's
Not
true.
tequila
I'll take a tequila shot. I will not.
Okay,
chug a
all right,
double
all right.
IPA.
We'll do that, man. We'll do that. So what is there to do out there in the wondrous worlds? Of
Well, so the
Atlanta?
rain stopped.
Thank
So like
God.
much of the United States, Atlanta's getting a lot of precipitation.
I can't believe that because it wasn't.
You know?
It was overcast in Beeham.
Yeah,
Everything happens in Beeham before, right?
yeah, except for tornadoes.
Yeah, we get lost of the.
But yeah, precipitation stopped, so we'll probably go down to Midtown, Buckhead, Virginia
This
Highlands.
is good, yeah.
Yeah,
Real good.
we got some time. Go hit a couple bars. I found a couple places recently that I think would be beneficial. Yeah,
I could always IRL stream it.
you could IRL stream it.
I'm sure they would like to come along. I've done one
Anybody
IRL
wants to
stream.
see somebody get rejected in
Yeah.
IRL.
Yeah, dude.
We can stream that.
Yeah, because the only IRL stream I did, I was, in something. So,
Yeah.
with someone. Ugh. It sucks. Anyway. Whatever, man. It's all good. Yeah, dude, it's great to see that rain. Like, where'd it come from? Because, like, dude, I didn't get any. I didn't get not one drop of precipitation until I sat down in this room.
Yeah. So the crazy thing is, Mammoth Mountain in California has like crazy snowfall accumulation, like 200 inches or some shit like that. It's
North Cali?
It's near. It's kind of central Cali, I guess, like central mid. It's like more closer to Utah. If that makes sense. It's there's no direct like access to it.
It's like
probably,
northeast,
It's
yeah.
probably like 3 or 4 hours from LA. Probably like a couple hours from Fresno. But they have some crazy snowfall.
Probably not too far
200
from
plus
Sacramento,
inches. It's something like, it's like an hour outside of any major airport. They're getting crazy snowfall. I mean, I don't know if there's any skiers out there, but
But, like, what's the
fresh
cost?
cow, it's looking pretty nice.
What's the cost of
Choice.
living, right?
Oh, expensive for sure.
It's like everywhere out there. Like, like I talk to everyone. It's like
You can live in Utah.
based on
live
like
in Salt Lake and go to Park City. I mean, that's not a bad trade-off.
it's just like if you don't live there, even if you're like far away, it's just like I don't know. For now, until I find a reason to like, I think this is it. I think I'm pegging ATL, right? Pegging it.
It's a good spot.
Yeah, and see how it goes for at least like a year or something. Just get my feet wet. And if I want to move to Dallas or Fort Worth or like Cali or somewhere else, maybe. Is it possible?
Is it possible?
Stop with the it's, man.
Yeah, if he moves to California, you can definitely call him it.
Zer. You definitely call me Zer.
It's man.
Or Zim. Don't you dare say things about Zim. Okay, Zim is Ken.
Seattle sounds like your place.
Seattle?
Oh yeah. If you prefer
Rain
the
and
Zims.
depression.
It's actually rained more here in Atlanta.
There you go,
this year
man,
than it
Kappa.
has in Seattle. Year to date.
What
I
is
should
it?
say not year to date, calendar year. It's rained more here in Atlanta than it has in Seattle.
Only this year, though. Not
I
on
think
average.
last year maybe too.
Yeah, but not like overall.
I mean,
It's
over the
like
history of
systems.
100 years, I don't know, but
No way.
last couple of years it's been pretty bad.
Let me try to find this stat. We'll see. How
On
would
the
I type
plus side,
that?
there's a lot of water in the lakes, so for like boating and stuff, it's pretty choice.
So how much? Wait, so most precipitation per year. We'll see. We got New Zealand, South America. Let's see the first in America, the U.S.
You should put a poll out there and let your viewers choose where you get to live. Like, do something like LA, and then like Dallas, Atlanta, and then do something crazy like
Remote live TA with Mitre.
Like,
the remote location Mitre is at. LOL Greenbow, Alabama. The Mountain Dew and Nutella.
I could,
Studios.
yeah, but
Let's see
like,
the big
dude,
dog.
I can't
Question of
live
the
in
night
Cali
is,
right now.
who let the dogs out?
I can't.
Sensei.
That's what most like, dude. A lot of people would be like, just go to Cali. It's like, yeah, that's like, it makes the most sense. Hey, Dean Martin, Billy, man, thanks for 589, dude. For some reason, like, they're all like, I live in Greenbow, Alabama. Forrest Gump.
Greenbow? Oh yeah, nice.
The
Yeah.
mythical town. That,
Yeah.
the Greenville, the Greenbow. I live in Greenbow, and at one time I was like, I had my green screen up. God! I had my green screen up, and it was like this downtown like
Lord,
New
this
York.
is an intervention.
I went, this is Greenbow.
This is not a motel.
Greenbow,
Really
Alabama.
isn't it, Hallie
Screw
Rehab
left,
Sister?
Jay left.
We are concerned in trying to face your addiction.
This is not a motel. What did you just say? This is an intervention. This is not a motel. And it's really a Nutella rehab center. I don't do Nutella. I've never done Nutella. And I've actually gotten millions upon millions of people off the Nutella, man. Get out of here, dude. Rob Bar, thanks for the 25, dude. Thanks for almost wrecking me. Thanks for the collective effort of trying to destroy me, okay? Because I seriously think one more, I'm screwed. One more shot or one more beer, which are the same.
I would say one more shot would have a bigger impact than one more beer.
Think so?
I mean, on those scientists.
Are they? They're literally the same amount of alcohol. Or go get Pogs and go get a tequila shot,
right.
and they're the same thing, right?
Yeah.
But it's gonna be like
the straight liquor is gonna process a little faster.
And it's like I have room in my stomach to sip on this, right,
Yeah.
or something, right? I'm not gonna be like
It's gonna hit you a little quicker.
Yeah.
So, it'll be.
What's happened is like I'll chug. I've been having to chug all night. I'll chug and I won't have to do anything. Like I won't have something I'm sipping on. I'm like, it's literally like just, what's up? Everyone's hanging out. I'm not sipping on anything. So I guess you're right. The psychological aspect of the, what is that? It's like an indirect correlation of my experience after the event, right? I guess we'd call it
The event.
the event of
Taking a shot.
the shot or chugging. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
like your a correlation of the event after would be me probably sipping more because I have more room in my stomach. It's not carbonation, and I'm not like I've already chugged 3 freaking beers at this point. So, dude, I feel like I'm in some sort of like, I don't know. Look at the webcam, dude. Dude, this webcam. So I'm gonna have to bring my webcam.
It's funny. I almost bought
Brought my
a nice like Logitech like
Brio,
webcam.
Brio, yeah, it's the best.
Just because like I do, obviously I do a lot of conference calls
Yeah.
with clients and stuff like that. So I have a webcam, but I typically don't turn it on because it's my house, and like if I'm dressed, then I don't care. If I'm not, then I'm like
Tax write up though.
I'm still wearing like pajamas.
Yeah. Ah, so, you
So
wouldn't maybe
either
not
way,
wanna
I
be-
don't.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
It's
No.
an expense I don't looked at yet.
Yeah, it's true. It's true. And what I've learned is like people would rather see you. Like, so it's like, when I do this like every day, I'm like literally getting up, showering, like getting ready, and like when I go live, I'm like, hey man, you can see me, dude. I can't like.
Yeah.
Now
Well, I
I
see
did.
my clients all the time, like in person, so like they know what I look like. So
It's true. It's true.
it's a little.
Have they seen you in your robe, man?
I mean,
So like the
costs
only
extra.
the only video I ever did, I so YouTube's for like making videos and posting them, right? But you can live stream. It's not really meant for that or known for that yet.
Yeah, it's.
But like I did one video. Let me go to the channel. I did one video so I have like 300 some uploads. You like the thumbnail I made? I created that
I
myself.
like it, man.
Look, traveling TA.
Nice.
The bottom, but
Y'all should make him go to Greenbow and live stream from Greenbow.
dude, I couldn't get internet.
Once
dude.
he gets that's where you get the jetpack. See, once you get the jetpack, you can live stream wherever you want to.
Even in Green Bay, yeah.
And then you should really have a poll for your viewers to pick where you go. It'd be great. I'm trying to give the power to the people.
Well, yeah, they have plenty of power, man. I'm
Power-
S-faced
power
because
to
of
the
them,
people.
dude. Let me try to find this. Did I have new thumbnails? Shoot, see, I started like it's like this every time, and all of a sudden
Yeah.
like started changing it. Hold on. the boring times, 80s week, like no one cared. We were on the way down to our targets. I gotta find this total. Look for total, TOTAL in all caps. About to sneeze. Not it. Where is it? Y'all, where is this? This was, no, it was in the time. It was hilarious. Total. Y'all, where is it? Let me find it, y'all. Just calm down, chat. Just everyone relax, okay? Everybody freak out, man. I just don't understand, man. Oh, here it is. My only like static video I created, right?
Static.
I didn't go live.
Gotcha.
It's like did it.
Is it weird?
It was weird.
Yeah.
I was in a robe. And I not showered. Okay, so no webcam, right? That's
Okay.
what I'm saying. So I did this analysis, right? Look. Peace, fam. Montana,
You should
man.
do like a total
Yes,
part
ma'am.
2 where you still wear like a bathrobe, but you just kind of have like a white Russian. You should be like
We love you, Montana, man.
Big Lebowski, Fish Plan.
Would y'all like me to stream it
Total part 2
in a robe, dude?
as the dude
With a white Russian?
with a white Russian.
Oh my god, dude, with sunglasses.
You can redo it. Like you obviously did wrong by your folks by just being static. You can do it right. You do right by your community.
I could Big Lebowski this, man. I could, but I don't have the hair. He's got like long hair, right? I could wear a wig.
Get a wig, man.
I hate wigs. Look at this.
You just open it up, it's like, it's ma'am, and then just take a strip of the white Russian, but no, it's actually the dude.
Hold on. Look at this, dude. All right, so this is the chart. This was the trade setup, okay? So
All right.
this is the only standing video, right, ever. And so it was like, oh man, okay, so our entry's here. We've hit our entry. We've
Yep.
already hit it. First target right there. Second target,
Yep.
third target.
That's it, yeah.
So, literally, first target, second target, third target, and then third target dumped
Input.
right after, and then now it's forming another harmonic pattern, and I'm waiting hopefully to get a 78.6% retrace where you're looking for those highs. So, dude, it's just like the trolls. And like people are like, no, whatever, man. What are you talking about, man? I'm like, good luck. Like we'll like start the stream like, you're like, what do I do? Do I buy now? What do I do, man? It's like, well, we've already entered our position. We're in our position. We're now waiting. And like literally like this went on for like a week. For like 7 days, we like went up, didn't even hit target, and like sold off right back down. Almost, remember I was talking about, almost hit that same target, and then that was the beginning. It like extended on, right? See your Adam and Eve double bottom. So an Adam is when you have like a sharp V price action, and your Eve is like that U. It's like that smooth, circular, or
Which is the opposite
rounding.
of anything about Adam and Eve. Usually I associate with a V with something else.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, it's
Chat.
weird.
That's very
Super
interesting.
weird, man.
But what about the U though for the man?
I'm not saying that's normal either. I'm just saying we're talking letters, right?
No, yeah.
V is going to be female.
The V. But what would the U be? The U would be like the shape of the.
I was going to say it, man. I don't know what I can say or not. You got to say something.
Thank God, dude.
Oh, Tom
You're out of your
Brady.
element,
Tom
Donnie.
Brady. Come on now. No Tom Brady's.
Well,
This is Atlanta. We don't support the Patriots here.
Okay, yeah, figure out of your
I'm saying.
element, Donnie.
that's gonna be
We don't
tough.
support y'all either.
Montana, dude. It's true, man. He says, "F it, you're out of your element, Donnie."
Donnie.
But dude, like, okay, so it's weird because I haven't changed it. I need to probably change it, dude, to like another variation. But like, it was during the playoffs, and so like every time someone tipped or subbed, it would be like either an LA Ram or the Saints or Tom Brady or the Chiefs, right? And now it's over. and for some reason, Tom Brady's stayed is him getting sacked $25. You tip $25, there's a pretty high percentage chance he's getting sacked, getting destroyed, right? You saw it. But like if you tip like $26, it's Tom Brady being like, yeah, because they won the Super Bowl. But like some people hate him, dude. Like he's hated so hard, dude. But he's so good. He's so freaking good, man. I don't know, dude.
I'm not arguing. I'm not saying Brady's bad. I'm just saying I can't personally support him after the Super Bowl 2 years ago. That's all I'm saying.
Dude, I can't support the fact that the Rams played the Patriots in the Super Bowl. Give me a break, dude. Give me a freaking break. That no call was the worst. You realize, you know, it was the worst no call ever.
Yeah, I mean,
ever. Like in history. Dude, he got literally destroyed while the ball was in the air. He got like pancaked. It was like targeting, and the ball was in the air, and there was no targeting, there was no pass interference. I'm just, oh, F it, dude. Whatever, man.
Dude, I'm surprised you're watching NFL. That's what I'm surprised about this whole conversation.
Dude, Saints, man.
You watch like one game of NFL a year.
I like the
Was
Saints,
that the one
dude.
you picked?
I looked at more than one game, all right? Dude, I'm hungover from football, NFL. I'm hungover from football from Thursday to Saturday. I go hardcore, and then I'm done. I can't watch anymore. I'm sorry, I can't even, man. All right, I don't know. There's something about, for me, college and NFL, dude. There's just I was born, you were born in Birmingham too, but your schemata is different, right? You like were raised more into that, a little bit more into the NFL culture, even though you share the exact same type of college stuff. It was just I was never exposed to what you were on the NFL side. Even though we're both exposed to the same college stuff, you were exposed to NFL a little bit. I guess all it takes is a little bit, right? Just some amount of township community connection, right?
You guys got Birmingham Iron now. So
yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. We got this, man.
Birmingham Iron.
Gonna be Kangs, dude. Montana, freaking love you, dude. Freaking love you, man.
Joe Montana.
Joe Montana. Freaking Montana.
I said quarterback.
What do you call him? You dumb A.
Dumb A. That's pretty good.
This water was blessed by an Eskimo medicine man. That's my favorite part, dude. Oh, I found this on the ground, dude.
Yeah, that's cool.
Have you not been having issues?
Me?
On your mouse?
I just found my mouse today.
Okay. I was like, literally like, it was like, every time I was going over the dark brown, it was like, freaking out. I'm like, okay.
Yeah, I haven't used my mouse at all, so.
Well, this is good, man. I cleaned it up. It's bad.
Yeah,
it's bad A.
Case, it's fine. I mean,
it's perfect, dude. It's freaking perfect. So, the Bitcoin destroyed, but bouncing off the old. Yeah, I know, right? What else is new? I don't know. We made serious freaking money on this, dude. It's like everyone's like, we're going to 1,000, man. We're going hyperwave. We're going to 1,000 right now. Screw TA. It's all fake. And it's like, okay, man. Okay. And it was so cool because it wasn't just like the Gartley, the harmonic. It was like you had the Adam and Eve double bottom. You also had a falling wedge pattern, which is also bullish reversal. You also had crazy bullish divergence on both oscillators. So it's like swing trading is all about like the coinciding variables.
Yeah.
And we had like
perfect storm.
Oh, dude, it was like beyond because it was like not only on the 4 hour, the daily was showing divergence too. It was just like you'd be like stupid to not take a long here if you believe in any amount of technical analysis because God dang it, dude.
Oh, beautiful. Who was that?
Go ahead, Montana, dude.
Who was that? Joe Montana?
Yeah.
Oh, Joe Montana. This man's a
That's
saint.
4!
This man is a saint.
4 in a stream, dude.
Montana took $33.33.
Go get the Tequila, man.
Okay, got 120K at
What do you think of this trade
1,085
migration? How far are you on this? About halfway?
Dude, I'm not even like... Dude, I'm like 20% done with this one.
Alright, yeah, we'll put a nipple on that.
Thanks for destroying me, Montana. Thanks,
It's really good. Just drink.
This is incredibly good, man. No,
very good.
It's very good, but
It's very good.
I'm gonna have to break the seal too. I'm impressed. I've not broken the seal yet, really. So, all right, y'all, we're getting the Tequila. You got us. Got me anyway. I'm screwed. Well, Landlord Ben's also going to I think take a shot too. But I'm gonna turn the music up. I gotta go break the seal. Montana, dude. Yeet. Hey, as Walter White would say, you got me. You got me, man. Ugh. Crap. Gosh dang it, dude. Gosh dang it, man. I'll be right back. Just give me a sec, alright? I gotta get my composure back up, man. Okay, Chad, we're back, man. Oh my god.
Oh, we're not.
Yeah, well, we're live. Just the mic was muted. Now it's unmuted. Now
We're just talking about corporations.
we're talking about the corporations,
Dig all
man.
the crunchy beats that are playing.
They
in
are
the
the
background.
devil, man. The devil, man. Okay, so Montana, thanks so much for wrecking me and destroying my life. But it looks like water. I could try to visualize it as water.
Mine never matter.
And maybe, just maybe, when it's in my stomach, if I visualize it as water, it will act as water, and it won't get me drunker or maybe sick, because it's agave, and I have a bad aversion away from agave. You know that. So it just looks so much like water.
It does. It's just like water.
Gosh dang.
Delicious water.
Delicious water.
Delicious water.
It's only to those that didn't have a bad experience with it, man. My God, in college. Dude, I was a freshman, man, and now I'm like
I ran out of whiskey. It's not
PTSD.
because I've been out of whiskey for like months. I just haven't bought any.
You son of a...
So I drink
You
beer.
son
I
of
go
a-
drink beer, wine. Actually, my buddy just got back from Kentucky. He brought me some really nice, like single barrel, like beautifully aged bourbon. He just hasn't had a chance to bring that yet. So we could have had that, but fuck it.
But do you want to shoot that, though?
No, we wouldn't shoot it. We'd shoot this.
But, like, we're screwed, yeah. So I'm saying, even if it was here.
Yeah. No, I mean, shoot like it. Even like Woodford. I'd shoot Woodford. I'd shoot, Knob Creek. I'd shoot the 1792, the small batch that I always get. Amazing stuff. But yeah, if it was
Jim Beam, man.
Oh God. I would much rather take this than Jim Beam right now.
Yeah, I guess I do too, man.
Yeah.
Crap. Y'all installing so hard. You're all getting destroyed because y'all don't even notice. Y'all like, oh, they're just having a good conversation. Even though I'm stalling so bad, dude. Dude, how ironic is it that Stalin was running Russia and Stalin was a Russian, right? So,
No, I did.
isn't that crazy? Like, that's like the craziest, like, wordplay, surname, irony that exists probably on the planet, right? Stalin the Russian. I can't do it, man.
Fireworks in honor of Psy Girl. Let's see the dog Mitch. Where's IT at? Larry Bird. Let the
No,
dogs out.
it's falling, man. Oh my God. 2505. Thank God. Thank you, Montana.
It's a 26, right?
It's 2505, so it's like.
So it's not a 25. It's
Thank God.
more
So
than 25.
that means there's no way I'd have to chug.
I like round
Thank
numbers.
God, dude.
Yeah.
Well,
Your-
thanks,
Your
man.
viewers are way more benevolent than I would be.
Dude, they're much nicer. They're nice. They're being nice. Like that. Actually, no, not
was-
really. That was like. No, mostly everyone's been trying to get me chug, and so Montana was just like, you know what, man, I like you, man. Here's a tip without the chance of you getting destroyed, and it's only a 5 cent.
It's like Spider-Man. Everybody gets one.
Everybody, thanks Montana for the one Montana man, Montana Spider-Man, man. Thanks, dude. But hey, sorry, he doesn't exist anymore. I don't know what you're talking about, dude. Snaps. Well, until Captain Marvel, we don't know. I just want Thor to be like amazing. Still, I love Thor, man. He's like my fave.
No way, dude.
Yeah, dude. Who's your fave?
Iron Man.
Yeah. Well, he's
Just
like
because I
he's mortal. It makes more sense.
feel like I have me and Tony Stark would get along.
Yeah.
Sort of, a-holes.
It's so funny, man. He's like the quote, like they killed me, and Infinity War was like, dude, you're embarrassing me in front of the wizards, man.
Yeah.
He's like talking to Spider-Man or something. I don't know. Anyway, sorry, we're stalling, dude. Are we ready? Crap.
Now I'm rushing. Let's do it.
Stall him.
Double IPA
To what?
before the
To what?
tequila.
To what?
To your viewers, man. They made this happen.
All right. This is to y'all. However many of y'all are still out there.
Alex Jones.
Yeah, to the robot alien Jesus people.
To the gay
rappers.
frogs.
Gay frogs. Screw me,
Before
man.
I have a drinking water.
Gosh dang it, man. I'm so screwed.
All right.
Break the tape. Break the tape. That was not bad. But I have not opened my nose yet. My nostrils.
So next live stream, we're gonna get a GoPro. We're gonna attach to Mitch after he has a couple tequila shots. They're gonna let him loose on the city. So be sure to stay tuned for that one.
Yeah, well, I'll probably just have my phone. I don't think you could hook up GoPros to live streams. That you could. I know they have different cameras, and what they'll do is they'll like the IRL thing. I've been like researching more and more because I'm like, if I'm gonna be in a city that's like more, I don't know, a little bit more like accepting of weird, more like just different stuff. Like what they do in LA, like all the real IRL streamers, like that's where they live, right?
Yeah.
They'll like literally get like a jetpack looking strap thing, and they'll have like something like right here. That's like Tony Stark at the core, right? Yeah, they'll walk around like that, and they'll be like, they don't have their. Those are the pros. Then they got the amateurs. The amateurs have the selfie sticks. And they walk around like this, right?
Yeah.
So it was like me. The only time I ever IRL streamed, I was like literally walking around LA like this, like, hey man, what's up, dude? Hey, what's up, dude? Like literally holding, like my hand was the selfie stick, and that felt more normal to me. I don't know, like I'm just not an IRL streamer, but like I guess I could be. I guess.
So what they need to do is kind of like remember Google Glass? You need,
Google Glass,
for streaming, man.
yeah,
That's what you need. You need like Google Glass. It's almost like AR for your viewers, right? It's like augmented reality. You're walking around, looking at stuff.
Yeah, my head
Giving
turns, they
feedback.
see it.
But then somehow, I don't know how this would happen. Somehow you have like kind of like an overview of what's going on as well. It could be like two-pane view of like what you see.
You could also
and then
just
also
hire
people
somebody
seeing
that
you
can-
doing it, right? So it's kind
Someone
of like
hire you hire
it's like
somebody.
Inception. It's like stream within a stream, right?
And there are different camera angles that would switch between them, right?
I would think both would be kind of like happening. It'd be kind of like picture in picture.
Yeah,
And maybe
yeah,
like
yeah,
switch
yeah,
out
yeah, yeah.
depending on what the scenario is. You kind of like zoom out, come back in, zoom out, come back in.
I don't think anyone does that.
No one does that.
No, they don't. They don't do picture in picture. Chet, we're onto something.
Just here for the ideas, boys
Okay, I'm cool
and
with that.
ladies.
Dude.
Hashtag International Women's Day, which is almost over. Actually, it might just be over now. We're 2 minutes past, so it's probably like National Burrito Day
Yeah,
now,
unfortunately it's over. But we still love ladies. Chat, understand that we still love the ladies, man. Just as much as we did yesterday, man. Except for somebody who gave us a dislike, I think, right? Oh, we have 3 more dislikes. Thanks, dude. Oh wait, this is not it. This is not it. Hold on.
That's from your,
That's from
from
my
the
old
total.
video. That's from my
Total.
4 people who didn't enjoy gains. Sick, insane gains, dude. They didn't get it, man.
They shouldn't like they couldn't see you in the bathroom being a dude, man. That's all it was.
Oh yeah. That 4 people didn't like seeing me naked or my head or something. Naked. It's good. Yeah, it's good, dude. It's so weird, man. Like this live streaming stuff from not my PC. It's so crazy, dude. Look, I don't know. Probably like less than 100 people still watching. And 96 watching still. 123 and 2 dislikes. Who was that? Didn't like me, man. Or whatever, dude.
It's probably my fault because there was one when I came in. There's one extra now that I'm here. So if somebody didn't like my input, I'm okay with that.
Oh, whatever, dude. I'll get like 1 or 2. Like, unless someone like, so it's so weird. Trying to kill me,
Montana 700 plus tip even with your motel bin support of Alex Jones. So double chug and respect.
dude. Double chug and respect. Hey, I double chug, dude. Rob R. Thanks for the 25, man. Kangs. And thanks, Montana, dude. Yeah, you see the session talk? That's like, it takes tally of like the top tipper for the stream. So it's like I hit start to finish, right? And once it finishes, it'll erase. And so when the next stream starts, it'll be 0 and NA.
Right. So for this stream.
So yeah, Montana, dude. Unbelievable, dude. Thank you so much, dude, for the $700 contribution so far at this stream, man. I just can't, I don't know what to say, man. Like,
He's just trying to get you to take another shot, dude.
it's true, man. It's true. Well, he got it, and he got the shot. But yeah, I guess shot, dude. Oh my God, I'm Lucy freaking Goosey, right? Yeah, let's go out and try to go meet some ladies, man. Yeah, Dad. Hey, did you see my bullish divergence call on Bitcoin where we went up $200+ in like less than 6 hours, dude? Did you see that? She'd be like, get away from me. I'm like,
Then you would say something like fair point and walk away.
I'd be like, you didn't care about gains. You were never in this for the gains. Bye. Whatever. Something like
Brought
that.
to you by Napoleon Dynamite.
Coming in live from Greenville, Alabama. They call it the Nutella Studios.
The Tele Studios.
Because like someone
They're
like,
just,
because I went on like this
round, sticky matter all over the walls.
well, like evidently it's like this crazy. I mean, people obsess about it. I didn't really know that it was so like big of a deal of like sinful love and like it tastes so good. I've never really been and I never bought Nutella before, but like people had it in the chat. I'm like, dude, I knew it was so bad for you. Learning, hearing, and then like we looked at it, it's like half. If like all the ingredients of Nutella in a bottle are like unmixed
components of what it is. Yeah,
it's literally like 50% sugar.
Yeah, it's hazelnut with 50% sugar.
But like, dude, it's like there are these little layers of these ingredients and the 50% sugar, and it's like, how can you put that in your body? And like,
you ever had it before?
I've had it before.
Yeah, Nutella's pretty damn good.
It's incredible, but it's so bad.
It's not good for you.
But people will like misconstrue it to be on the same playing field as like peanut butter.
Well, because it's a hazelnut.
It's a color. The color of it too is like similar.
Yeah,
A little
bit
bit
more like
darker.
It looks more like
yeah,
chocolate.
yeah.
So I would argue with you there.
Yeah.
I would, push back.
Well, it's just like so bad for you, and we just had this big open discussion about it one night, and like people didn't know what the is that really like, because it was like Google Images shows you like the literal,
Yeah.
cuts.
Also
of it.
like the nutritional facts on the actual bottle will tell you,
but
it's whatever.
It's the visuals, man.
Yeah.
Are so strong. Just seeing that, but like it's
Reading is
eye opening
fundamental.
to anybody. What is it?
Yeah, so reading is fundamental.
Reading is fundamental. Yeah, it's true, man. It's true. Chat, what do I do, man? Dude, we took the sips. Y'all still taking shots at me to destroy me.
Liver.
Double OL Liverpool.
Get it. Like soccer.
Oh my god, dude.
Montana took $25. For real though, got 121k
Oh.
now at like 1090 average king or pufter.
Hold on, Montana, man. You know what, man? That's the one that is very interesting. Okay, very interesting on this one, dude. You said you're at, let's see, 1090 average. 1090 average. You got in right around here. Okay, right around the previous low, right, which was like October of 2018. And we think that the best lowest risk entry would be in fact down around 1,000 sats, between 969 and 994, or 1,000, whatever rounded number, for that to complete that perfect potential inverse head and shoulders. But you do have, and I don't think it's really divergence. Like, and the reason why is because your lowest low here is right here. It's not this low. This low is actually a low, and and then the next low is, so there was bullish divergence here from this low to this low, right? Higher lows, or lower lows, higher levels of relative strength. We broke the upside. We ran up, right? We fulfilled the destiny of that divergence. We sold off. Now we're hitting a support again. And it's hard to say if this is really divergence because this low is lower, or is higher than this low. Okay, so it's like convergence. So, but from a major low of the RSI to this low, yeah, it may be divergence, but you'd still be patiently waiting for the lowest risk entry, which is down 1,000 sats. I don't know if we'll get there. I really don't know. It looks like you're setting up for a really nice double bottom here, but it's not the lowest risk. Right. So you taking entry at this area, it's okay, it's fine, but just understand it's not the lowest risk entry. That's it. And what you'd be hoping for here, Montana, man, you extend this out, this channel, a huge impulse up, we're down sloping, anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 on the bottom, 1 on the top. We didn't quite get there here. It almost looks like it's a larger wedge, but you got to break above 1181 to really do something. And from your high point to low point, look, when we retrace, we had a 50% retrace, and we reverse your price action, which is completely normal. That's exactly what you're supposed to do. Dow's theory states you have an impulse down, you retrace 50% of the way before you reverse your price action again to the prevailing trend. Exactly, this is literally textbook. So the double bottom, though, very interesting. Okay, I don't know, man. I don't know. All I know, lowest risk between 969 and 1,000 sats. Okay, so we may never get there again, but my God, man, if we don't get there ever again, wow, high or low than your left shoulder, head, potential right shoulder, run up, there to take profit, like for real, dude. If you're playing a literal inverse head and shoulder, the first minimum target is the top of the pattern, the top of the neckline, right? The neckline's like 1,300 sats, okay? So up here at the neckline, see the two magenta lines? That's it, dude. So you've got the left shoulder, head, right, potential right shoulder, wherever it is, and then the neckline. You break the neckline, huge run. Makes sense psychologically. That's why these things always do this, right? Because you go straight down, you don't develop any consolidation or resistance. So when you come back up, there's no resistance, man. So you just go straight up to your measure move, and it's probably hitting a fib node from a major high up here. So yeah, dude, best of luck to you if you took it here. That's probably your second entry, second best low risk entry, but your best entry is 1,000 sats. That's it. There you go, Montana, man. All right. Cool. Sorry. Cool, dude. Holy crap. Sorry. What's up, dude? Cheers.
Makes sense to me. Cheers, man.
Orpheus, not Morpheus.
Not Morpheus.
What does Orpheus even mean, dude?
I don't know. They got some pretty crazy artwork on their cans, dude.
Dude, I saw that.
Yeah, every single one is a little bit different. It's
Define Orpheus. Orpheus, a poet and musician in Greek mythology who almost rescues his wife Eurydice from Hades by charming Pluto in Greek mythology. Persephone with his Persephone with his lyre. Yeah. So it's a singing, dancing, cheering brew. Man, is this Orpheus?
Sounds very urban.
Do you love about Greek mythology, dude? Like the Widespread Panic song, fishing song. Yeah, that really good one. Like that chilled out ambient song, dude.
That sounds. You're describing every single jam song to me.
Oh, dude, but like fishing's different. Well, anyway, that one has so much Greek mythology in it, dude. Talking about who's the guy that sits in front of the mirror, man? Narcissus.
Yeah, it's not the mirror. It sits in front of
the water that is the mirror.
The lake, yeah.
Yeah,
the lake,
and he stares at
himself,
it.
Yeah.
Well, he just like he just stares at it until he dies for the rest of his life. He just gets entranced by it. Oh my god, dude! You gotta be
Nice.
It's not nice. That's not nice at all.
Who is that?
It's Montana, dude.
Joe Montana.
Dude, that's not. How was that nice, dude?
Montana took $33.
I'm gonna be able to like
33
search
cents.
for apartments
Shit
tomorrow.
gave the team, but may have been a bit early. But thanks, Savage.
All right, buddy. You know what that means?
I need food, man. I gotta eat food, chat. Y'all understand what's happening right now? I don't think you do, man. I don't think y'all understand what's happening. This is unreal. And there's something going on. Something's going on, as President Trump would say. So much for the double IPA, man.
It's delicious, though.
Y'all are...
Transmigration of souls.
What is it?
Transmigration of souls.
Poet, musician in Greek mythology. You'd think that...
Yeah, do you call something Greek?
Well, I'm just saying, like... When we're reading the one sentence of his lore, transmigration of souls, like what does he have to do with soul migration?
I mean,
Build a wall.
Well, probably a lot because he's almost rescuing his wife from
Hades.
From Hades. So you have to cross the
Eurydice.
Well, the river, whatever that thing is, river of souls. So in Greek mythology, when you cross into like the afterlife and like hell, basically, there's this river that runs with like souls that basically consume the river. So you have to cross this river. So transmigration of souls is you crossing that river of dead souls on the way to where you want to go.
Sounds like us taking a shot of tequila right now.
Yeah, it's transmigration of your consciousness.
Of my liver and consciousness.
There you go.
Wow, dude. Get friggin' wrecked, Zachary. Yeah, dude, I know, man. Chat. With the F, okay.
Shooter McGavin time. Oh yeah, pistols up.
Dude, this is literally Shooter McGavin out the yin yang, dude. I'm so drunk now. I'm about to shoot tequila. I gotta get like Taco Mag or something, dude.
Taco Mag is not gonna be good. So we can go somewhere else.
So we
have food here too. We can take a little quick food break and then head out.
Dude, I want to go somewhere there's food this late. Yeah. I want to go out, man. I want to do things. I want to do things, chat. Don't get mad at me. Y'all are the ones that made me this way, that made me drunk right now, okay? It's not my fault. I didn't even have sips, dude. I didn't even get to sip on anything. I sipped on like 20% of this beer.
You have way too much beer left. You can drink it.
Dude, whatever, man. I've chugged 3 beers, 1 shot, another shot incoming with this beer. Give me a break, man.
2 shots, a cheeseburger,
3
bong rip.
3 hot dogs, man. Try telling them about that. I don't think they knew what that was, dude. Oh my god. What's up, MK, dude?
Dave Chappelle, man. Dave Chappelle. White people describing their parties on Friday nights. 3 shots of liquor, a bong rip, a cheeseburger.
Excuse me. I'm a little high.
A little high. You told me where 3rd Street is? You're on 3rd Street.
Dude, he's still going for it. He's still gunning for me, dude.
Yeah, John Mayer, dude.
Montana took $25. Don't make me spam you.
I admire this because
Montana, man.
this is what you do, man. It's called doubling up. Doubling up.
Montana, man. And this is what I'm talking about. You never know, man. Right? Like out there, it's like you don't know what happens, dude. It's just sometimes Montana's like, I will destroy you. It's like, all right, I will be destroyed. I know Montana. It's here. It's sitting here, dude. Just give me a second, man. Because by the time this thing is ingested, things that I say are gonna be a little crazy. All right, man. Chat, understand people's. I mean, like, how are there even like around 100 people even watching still? I don't understand that. 8. Okay, our numbers are dropping off. They're dwindling, but we're still getting wrecked.
Still 82 strong. You only have 1 dislike now, though.
We only had remember
We had 2.
Oh yeah, that's weird. That's really weird. Who was that? Who are you, dude?
Alright, let's take the shot.
Freaking tequila, man. Freaking to kill me, man.
That'll be alright.
Alright, to the chat.
To the chat. Joe Montana.
Montana, man.
The guy who decided to not dislike us.
Gosh dang it. Oh my god.
It's actually decent tequila.
This is good tequila. It's good that I don't taste it. Even that, yeah, whatever. Dude, it sucks, man, that like tennis girl, she just like kind of like sketched out.
Yeah?
She was like, hey, I can't meet up this weekend. Would go for next weekend? And I'm like, I'm going to Cali from Friday to whatever.
That's fair.
And then I was like, she responded, I'm like, whatever you're looking for, hope you found it. Yeah, I'm going to tell you something from Peachtree City. How far is that?
Oh, it's pretty far.
Yeah.
It's like by the airport, kind of. It's where all the pilots live. They call it Golf Cart City.
Are you kidding me?
Golf Cart City. Oh, there you go. Who was that? Is that
Got to
Montana
be
again?
effing kidding me. This is not right.
$33.
I'm gonna chug a beer. I'm chugging a beer.
Montana. Ada, how do you afford top ramen and support chugs when you invest scrubs? Hashtag bad maybe.
There you go. God dang it, dude. What am I supposed to do, man? This is stupid. I can't do it, man. I'm gonna be blackout. It's over, man. Like, we can't do this. I'm about to have to cut stream, dude. Dude, I'm so drunk right now, chat. I'm so drunk right now, man. Dude, this music's so good, though. Suh, dude.
I'll take your word for it.
I mean, it's not even about word taking. It's like, well, he physically drank this much.
So you're basically saying that the more you drink, the better shitty music sounds.
No, this music's good when I'm sober. Dude, I'm so drunk right now, Robert. What do you mean to do, man? What are y'all doing? This is not right. There's something wrong with the algos now.
It's pretty hilarious, man.
Dude, there's no way this is right. Dude, think about it like this.
Actually, here's the thing. I actually met up with all of your chat before you got on stream, and we were like, we're going to screw this dude over.
Yeah, but like, it's nothing to do with you or anyone else. It's like, they all know the rules, the percentage chance is like, Jesus! They're trying to put me in debt. Chug debt.
Sometimes Vegas
Tennis
loses.
girl got a tight ass asking for a friend.
Sometimes the house loses.
Tennis girl got a tie, but no, I don't. I think actually she used to, and it wasn't as good. It wasn't as good, and so like, I was like, I'm not that beat up. Are you kidding me, dude? What are y'all doing?
Fireworks.
Half shot me,
fireworks.
dude. Half shot me, man.
I can't half shot you. These guys tip for a full shot. You're gonna get a full shot.
Dude, it's not even about the shot. It's about the percentage chance of a shot. Percentage chance is like 80% chance I'm gonna get wrecked.
That's not how it works, man.
It's totally how it works, man. Hello? Is anyone even there anymore?
Shooting the gay frogs, man.
Dude, all the freaking gay frogs, man. Good thing I'm gonna be out of commission and won't even be able to find an apartment tomorrow to even like look at. I'm be like, I'm so hungover. I'm here at 6 o'clock at night. Hi, how are you doing? I don't know that place, that 92 whatever.
Yeah,
What's it
there's a
called?
lot of places, man. I wouldn't get your heart super set on anything like immediately. Take your time. Find a good spot.
92 West is bad.
Oh yeah.
They're all expensive, but it's like I'm literally like over. The cool thing is though, I paid off my car, like threw down like, you know,
Oh
like,
yeah.
so like that's like $400 a month, like gone. Doesn't
Yep.
exist anymore, right? So it's like, okay, so I can afford like however much more I'd be paying, right, a month. So it's like
Yeah.
a great, and I haven't even.
It's an apartment, right? Not a condo.
Yeah, I'm not.
So
Condo.
you don't have to worry about down payment. It's just more like cash
I don't have to
flow
worry about the economy either.
versus like having to save up for like a chunk of change.
Yeah, and the beauty is like the chunk of change is not a problem. It's just like.
Well, I don't mean like that. I'm saying like, but you pay off your car, right? Well, it's just like dynamic of cash flow, right? It's like you pay off your car, great. If you're saving for like a nice house, you might not want to like use cash
Because
flow
you
to
need
pay
that
off,
for the
to pay off a depreciating asset. You want to keep that to yourself, and then save that and pay like a because when we had auto loans, the interest rates are super low. So it's not like you're not paying a very high premium.
You
on
think
it.
that, but in a 5-year period, you pay $5K. You pay like
No.
almost $1,000 more.
I paid
3.99% was my interest rate, right?
Oh really?
That's not bad. That's
Not
like
bad.
that's not
I think
bad.
mine was I was paying.
Dude, you pay $5K over 5 years if you do that. Right?
Mine was I think between 15 and 18.
Shoot, man. I don't know what 3.99 is. I just did the math on it. I'm like, dude, I'm not paying that.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna like, all right, here you go, dude. Take it.
It's a cash flow thing.
Right now it's like, hey, nothing wrong with like literally owning a Beamer, right? Outright.
You know what I mean?
Yeah, I know, and I'm saying like, hey, man, it's like you don't, people will be like, I live above my means. I own like a nice like luxury car, and I'm in debt on my eyeballs, right? Like, it's nice to literally own it.
Depends on the
And
strategy. The car's depreciating. So, two schools of thought. Car's a depreciating asset.
You should
It's
lease
not
it.
an investment. Well, you should. I'm not saying you should lease it, but two schools of thought, right? Either
Yeah.
you own it outright, you pay less. Typically you pay less, or you lease something and you can afford a little bit more. You never own it outright, but you never really have any sort of trade-off with maintenance or worries down the road. It's kind of a fully common thing, right? So,
Yeah. Well, that's what I'll do. Like, as soon as I'm gonna run this thing into the dirt until it's done. You can't. It's like, okay, this doesn't make sense to pay for it anymore, right? Do that. I don't know how long that. It could take a year, like 10 years, right? Whatever. But like, I'll never own a car again, like ever.
Yeah. Lease it.
Oh yeah, dude.
All right, I think it's time.
Dude, oh my god, how's it time?
But Stalin.
I'm so drunk, man. Dude, I'm so drunk, y'all. There was no catalyst. There were many catalysts. Catalysts in your butt, dude. It's true. Before you know it, things you own end up owning you. I guess that's true, right? If, you know, it's like if you're not progressing in your career,
It's very
in your
existential.
life, right? It's like, yeah, I guess I can see that. But it's just like,
I think the more realistic thing is golden handcuffs, right? So the better you do, the more you become accustomed to your
luxuries.
life and your luxuries, and the more
Lifestyle.
you make. So I am a co-founder in a non-for-profit, and my other co-founder is based out of Chicago. He's an architect, a solutions architect, and a cloud architect. He makes like close to, whatever, he makes a shitload of money. No matter how much he makes, it's never enough. He's like, dude, I'm in debt on my house. And like he makes so much money.
It's crazy.
You know, but he's like, doesn't matter how much I make, I'm always in debt because his lifestyle is, just he can't control it. So there's a golden handcuffs, right? It's like you make so much and it's beautiful, but you're tied to what you do because you have to pay. So
Well, see, I thought like moving somewhere like here would do that, but once I paid the car off,
dude,
in
to
a way,
Atlanta? No,
dude.
you moved to LA, yes. Atlanta is a low cost.
I know, but I'm saying like
Atlanta's not low cost of
I had it good because I had a
Georgia
lot of
is.
capital to put down in the house, so like I'm paying like $1,000 for a 3,000 square foot house in the suburbs of Birmingham, which is like a really good area, but it's like I'm losing my like mental sanity there because it's like, what am I doing?
Yeah.
So I'm saying
And then you
like,
can retire early and then continue to blow your brains out with shotgun.
what is it?
So then you can retire early and blow your brains out with shotgun.
Exactly.
You've
Yeah.
neglected
Oh,
everything
great,
else.
man. Great.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like wonderful. Like, great, dude. Yeah. So, didn't want to do that. Don't want to do that. So it's like I need a change socially. I gotta like, I need like a spark. I guess the spark was her, right? Ending that thing, ending that relationship, ending. It's like my spark, my catalyst
Yeah, man.
to why I'm doing this now. So like, it's good, I guess, that it happened. But I think it's gonna be a really good change when I get here.
Yeah, I think so.
But it's just so cool that I'm not like, since I threw down that big wad of cash for the car. Now it's like I come here and I pay what I pay. I'm not spending more money. I'm literally spending the same amount.
Yeah.
It was just maybe $100 literally like $200 more maybe a month than my mortgage now at home. Yeah, but a third of the size. But dude, size is, I'm telling you, dude.
You want 3,000 square feet?
No, not unless you got someone with you.
Yeah.
Not alone, dude. It's terrible.
This is plenty for me.
Dude, have fun with the. Yeah, we're gonna take it.
Let's quit stalling it. Let's get these people. Give the people what they want.
Yeah, dude. Give my liver what it doesn't want. $1,000 for a house, Dominic. Man, a lot of money. A lot of money inside in the liquidity, right? So it's not like I own a house and don't really own it, right? Like I own a lot of the house, right? Shoot, this is terrible.
Yeah, well, Baker's right. Seattle's expensive AF.
What is it? What is it?
3,000 for a small place. We have an office in Seattle, so I know the
I can't wait till
housing market there.
I can't wait till Seth retires, so he can put me to work or something for real. You know Seth. He's the king, man. He's like, if this ever doesn't work out, dude, I got you, dude. I'm like, alright, man, whatever that means. To the chat again. To Montana, man.
Jim Montana, the rest of you
Thanks for
Mad Men.
destroying me. I'm gonna be completely
Cheers.
wrecked, and may not even stream tomorrow because I'm how bad at this is, dude. Like,
We'll strip.
all right, we're cut off, dude. At this point, danger levels, dude. All right, dude. Are you kidding? 3 beer chugs, 3 shots. That's like 6, 7 beers now.
Cheeseburger.
2 pockets, man. Hamburger, man. No drop, man. I'm gonna just like vomit everywhere, dude.
I just built this desk. We have no long ride.
I want it. Let's go get food, man. I need some food, dude. I need some real big, nice food. Somewhere in Atlanta, man.
Oh yeah, man. You know, there's free Taco Bell for DoorDash. Free
I don't want Taco Bell. I want nice food in Atlanta where they're like, hey,
I
man.
think chat would want you to eat Taco Bell, man.
No.
A nice quesadilla. Maybe a Crunchwrap Supreme.
No, thank you.
I don't eat fast food, Chad, so
That is what.
I'm trying to guess these.
I want to go somewhere where they're like, we're from Atlanta. We're Atlanta. Well, they hand me the food. I'm like, okay, you're Atlanta. Thank you. Let me try this Atlanta food. That's what I want.
It was amazing food.
I want them to do that. That's where I want to go. Where they're like, we're big time Atlanta. We're proud of it. Here's our food.
Yeah.
So think of our food. Not gonna get that at 12:30.
12:30 at night. It's tough to get that. Yeah.
Let's get something like that though. There's gotta be something like that at 12:30. Chat. Hello. Yeah, Ken, I am done, man. It's wrapped it up, throwing it down. We've never hit this level before because the variations have never hit like this. It's like a severe. It's like a big tornado outbreak. The biggest tornado outbreak of drink variations we've seen in the history of mankind since meteorology has been in effect. Okay, since it's been a thing. 1951 is when they really started accurately reporting meteorology. Okay, 1951. This is the worst we've ever seen. Just drunk. Did you get it, Uber? Dude, I'm driving, man. Kappa.
But you own your car, you might as well.
What is it?
You own your car, you might as well.
Okay, man, let's go. Go to varsity. Go to the varsity. Where's that?
God, who said that? Get out of there.
Greg Morgan.
God damn it, Greg. No, we'll not go to varsity. That is a blasphemy.
No,
I think we go to MJQ, man. MJQ is like, so here's the thing, it's late. So we go to somewhere typical, last call is going to be around 1:30, which is in an hour-ish once we get down there. We go to MJQ, they close at 3 a.m. It's going to be more of like a EDM kind of club, but it's a little crazy, man. It's kind of cool. It's like underground vibe to it.
Was there food?
No, there's not food there. We have to go somewhere else in between.
We'll go food and then go there. I'm down with that.
Yeah.
As long as food's involved, I'm good. I need sustenance, man. I need the sustenance, man. Don't you talk about what you noticed, Robert Kirk, man. I noticed, man. I noticed we're drunk, dude. Alright, we're going to 1956, dude. What's up, Willpower, dude? Welcome, Willpower. Greg. Fleming's?
Fellini's.
Oh, dang, dude.
Atkins. Okay. We could go to Virginia Highlands. We have Atkins there. They have some pretty damn good wings.
Was good, dude. Got the ranch, though. You know, the ranch is better. It's like much more important than the wings. Did you hear that? The ranch is more important than the wings, man. The other guy looks totally normal. Yeah, dude, he's normal. He hadn't been chugging off breaking night, dude.
Well, I've been chugging with you. I actually was drinking some wine with dinner, and I had a beer before. So yeah, I'm fairly even with Mitch. He's just
fairly even, I guess.
I don't know if you've noticed, but well, I'm gonna show him this stream. But it's, he's been chugging.
It's kind of a big deal, man. Litecoin back under 50. Urgh. How about Litecoin under your butt, Dominique, man? Stop asking unimportant questions. What happened? Rick
Hotel
says,
guy's going to babysit Mitch all night.
He's landlord guy.
That's where you're wrong. I put him in the room, and then if he wakes up tomorrow, it's all good. If not, then
whatever, man.
I got a lot of property.
Yeah. Where's Hydration Bot? Crypto Fish, man. Good question. Hydration Bot is also up your butt, okay? Most things are going to be up everyone's butts.
Ranch shovels.
When they ask questions, okay?
I don't know what that means.
Where's that? Ranch shovels. Oh, yeah. Benjamin, yeah. Up your butt. Ranch shovels.
Whataburger. I don't think we have Whataburger in Atlanta. They're in Birmingham, though. In Texas. Yep. Don't damage too much of that brain.
Yeah, Francisco. I agree, man. Probably get out of here. No, we said it's cut off, man. We're cutting it off, dude. Cutting it off, man. All right, look. Let's get some food. Let's get some Uber. Let's go. Let's go. I need to eat, dude. I'm like, eat.
Mitch needs him some poutine right meow. Are you a poutine guy? I've heard Mitch likes to put Nutella on his poutine.
Yeah, Nutella and poutine. Okay, he gets it. He's all up in the culture. He gets it now. But no poutine, man. I need wings. I need ranch.
You know, it's always open in Georgia. It's Waffle House.
Yeah, that's in Alabama too. Oh, it's just not. It's not what I expected after such a momentous stream, man. Come on, dude.
I feel like any night after a lot of drinking, you should expect Waffle House.
Well, yeah, but maybe many hours later, not now. Now it's like, let's go get some good food while it's still maybe a little bit available. And then later, after more drinking, we go get Waffle House, man.
In and out. I wish, man.
Oh,
West
God,
Coast,
right?
dude.
Right?
West Coast, though, man.
I
You know?
wish, dude. Don't even say that, dude. Don't even say that.
Ben equals Wagner Mora. I don't know what that is.
Wagner Mora?
Be safe, dude. Nutella poutine, one of us. Gibbo gobble, one of us.
Wagner Mora. Thanks, Rob R, man, with 100, man.
Some guy from Narcos.
Dan Rob R, man.
Rob R tipped $100. Lord, I have no debt. One trade last week I bought a car in cash from your tips. I support you as you're a small part
big
of
question
that.
for the chat.
Time
What
for
would
you
do
to go
if we
big
get
time.
another,
You're an investment. Go eat and reflect on this.
I love you, Rob R, man. Thank you so much for the hundo, the C note, as you would call it, dude. Thanks for the C note and the mini C notes before. Love you, dude. I'm sorry, what was the question, dude?
So what are you gonna do if somebody hits the chug again?
Dude, I cut it off, dude.
You cut it off?
Yeah, dude, I can't, dude. It's like hazardous to health. And they'll be like, okay, I'll owe them a chug tomorrow.
chug, okay.
I'll go in debt.
I have a whiteboard in this room.
Yeah, I'll go in
keep
debt.
track.
I'll go in debt if it happens. I just can't.
Keep
Now,
track.
I gotta get out. I gotta get to bed. I gotta find out where I'm gonna live when I sell my house. Okay, man. Rob R, dude, I freaking love you, dude. And I can't even believe the generosity that you bestowed upon me in this room this evening in Atlanta, Georgia. Oh my God, man. It sounds so much better when the music's playing. Like, if you hear it, like, it's like...
No, I hear the fan.
No,
from
I'm saying,
the
like,
laptop.
I know, right? But if you hear it, it's like, dang, dude, that's lit, dude.
It's dank, Brad. Super crunchy.
It's like dank, dude.
Super
It's
crunchy.
dank, man. It's dank, dude. But
Are you in the crescendo right now of the dankness?
no, of course not, man. No, there's no crescendo right now. It's all chilled
Super
out.
mellow, man.
See, this is why you just need a 3-in-1 with bass, 2 speakers, Bose. It's like $250, $300. You get it, man. Have it in here. You can plug it up, and then all of a sudden you
I
can.
have that in my living room, so I have some really nice headphones that I do my talking into that are really good. They're Bose.
But if you ever get a special guest in your conference call, dude, they'll be able to hear what your boss is playing on their
It's a great
speaker.
point, man. It's a
Yeah,
great
right.
I
It's such
should
a
consider
good
that.
point,
You
dude.
should send that from my office. You're right.
Dude, your boss is gonna require it next year. I'm sorry, dude. You must have speakers, Kappa. Do you want to do Uber, man? You want to call Uber? I'll pay. I don't care.
I gotta figure out where we're getting. We gotta figure out food first.
Where? I mean, okay. I'm cool. You know me, right? You know me. You're like,
I
okay.
do.
He likes wings. He likes ranch. He likes things that aren't terrible. So we can
Yeah.
go anywhere. And then as beer, whatever, hanging out. That's it, dude. Just take me somewhere. Just be like, I picked this place. We're going. I'll be like, all right, we're going. We go. We do it. It's over, man. That's it. Simplicity, man. Serendipity, man.
To make sure this place is still the kitchen's still.
Yeah, big deal.
Dude, I was in Manhattan like not too long ago. The kitchens were all closed at like 10:30. So
That ain't right, man. It's crazy. You could go to a different restaurant every single day for the rest of your life in New York.
I want to say, yeah, it's
You
like takes
never-
52 years. to do
Yeah,
that, so.
you'd never. Yeah, I get it. It's so
I want to
great.
say it was like 2:30. I think it was
People freaking out, man.
Just figured out.
I don't know. Someone said Banhammer. I don't know. I don't really see
Normally people will ban people and it won't even show up on my restream. Restream is like where I see like YouTube and Twitch chat, but this is like YouTube chat. And so like sometimes people say something and they get banned real quick and like taken down, and I won't even see it on here because it won't even show up. It's weird. It's like, all right, cool. I don't think anyone's. I saw this, but he's like real. He's like part of the community. It doesn't matter. I don't know. Unleash the ban. Brown Griffin, what are you talking about, dude? What are you talking about?
Griffin. Is that part of your novel, Brian?
That's hilarious. Ken DeBris says, Mitch is so drunk. You're so drunk, Ken. Ken, we know how many shots you took tonight, man. It's not on me, it's on you, dude. It's your fault, dude. Lucas Free, how you doing, man? Mr. CPA, man. Hello. Bet coin up your butt? I don't think so, dude. Everything is up everyone's butts, dude. It's true, King Logan. It's up everyone's butts. Ken DeBreeze says, he says, aye, aye, sir. Ken DeBreeze says, it's up my butt, sir. Thank you. Well, thanks for being so loyal, Ken, for taking things up your butt, dude. Congratulations on all your success. Or something. I don't know. No one get banned. Yes, no one get banned. Dude, if In-N-Out Burger was here, though, dude, oh my god, dude. I can't wait to go back. Dude.
All right, Uber's 8 minutes away. We're at Sandy Springs.
All right, 8 minutes, y'all. 8 minutes. What you gonna do? How many things you gonna put up your butt in 8 minutes, man? King Logan, dude. How many? Brian Griffin says his novel is on.
Yeah, I see the still hiatus, huh? Yeah. Indefinitely, right?
Sniffing the Walter White. Dude, I'm like rewatching Breaking Bad again.
Yeah, it's only blue glass in this household.
What is it?
So his meth is a special
Blue.
formula meth.
P2P.
It was blue, right? It was a special blue. Like, nobody else could copy it because like his formula was so.
P2P, pure.
Yeah, the purity of it was like basically not being able to copy. So that was how you knew it was.
Or the only way to copy it was like by emulating the same thing, same type of
Dying
P2P.
it somehow, yeah.
Well, I mean, like unless you're Jesse and you were an apprentice and you were like became master from repetition, right? And Jesse was able to make like 96, where Walter was 99.1, and then like Todd was like, what do you do, like 70, 80?
Yeah, the point is,
80,
the point is you can
86.
tell.
Yeah.
You could never, other than Jesse, it's hard to do that because you couldn't have, nobody else had like the acumen to create that level of purity in their meth.
Yeah, because Christology. Well, you know, you did have, what's his name, right? He's a chemist. Yeah, he 96, right? He was good. He could do it. But the thing is, like, was it blue? It's like you would think it would. If it's 96%, then it has to be blue, right?
Yeah. Sometimes. I don't know the specifics of it, but I know in chemistry there's different ways to wash compounds and minerals. So, I mean, you could wash in one thing that might do something different in another thing.
Yeah, but then you had like Todd who was talking about like he burnt it like a cake, therefore it wasn't blue because of that reason or something. I don't even know, dude. Like, it's stuff I don't think we even understand. I don't think anyone even ever. Oh my god, dude! It's Montana, dude. Are you kidding?
Montana tipped $25. Ada going to pump soon.
It ain't gonna pump soon, man. It's either here or at 1,000 sats. Like one of the two. I mean, or not, of course. There's always a chance that it doesn't work out, but dude, you're seeing a huge potential inverse head and shoulders, man. And I think that you think this might be an entry because you look left. Okay.
I feel like Brian Griffin is making an allusion to Saul Goodman. I'm not a businessman. I'm a businessman. I respect that.
Where is this? Dude, I just like literally want to live life playing these 5-hour playlists of just jams by like Widespread or Grateful or Fish and just walk through life and I don't have to work. And when I'm working, it's playing the audience. But when I'm done working and I'm like walking around life, I want to be like,
yeah, it's called headphones, bro. You should put some earbuds in.
Yeah, I could do that, man. I guess I could. But it's just weird. But like, I'd like to have it to where I can control the decibel levels in my brain to where it'd be like,
Yeah, there's volume controls on the headphones.
oh no, it'd be like, it's not weird. What's up, Tanya?
Oh, hey, can I go and steal the fan? Yeah.
Tanya, you want to say hi?
Yeah, of course.
No, you don't want to say hi? She don't want to say hi, it's okay.
Well, they can see you.
Yeah, they can see you.
Oh.
I can hide the webcam if you want. You want to?
No, it's no big deal,
She's
Dad.
fine.
Sorry.
Dude, don't apologize. Are you kidding me?
Yeah.
Don't apologize in your own house. That's
No
crazy.
worries.
Crazy talk.
You guys keep doing it?
Keep doing yeah. Do yourself. As one would say. Montaigne, man. Thanks for the 25, man. We're talking about Walter White. Talking about things. Talking about many things, dude.
Yeah.
Oh, dude, I don't even know anymore. I'm like too drunk to taste this chicken. Can you believe what's happening right now, man? This thing is. All right, like feel this. Feel the heat.
No, I can see. I can.
Isn't it crazy because you're literally like not you're like the fifth person to ask me that I've shown this PC. They're like,
We got 2 minutes.
we're good. I gotta pee. All right. Well, we'll get it. All right, y'all. Look, chat. Thanks so much.
We back tomorrow.
Yeah, we will be back tomorrow. I mean, I'll be hungover as ass, and you might not like the stream when I'm hungover and grumpy, but you could just say, hey, man, it's my own fault because I got Ray S-face. Playing a lot.
We talk about aliens and drinking water, weather manipulation.
Rob R tipped $25.
DARPA.
Montana, don't get attached to one coin. Lord not attached to Airbnb host.
Bambi house! Yeah, I actually am attached to this guy. I love this guy. Not sexually, but platonically, absolutely. But look, Rob R, thank you so much, man. But it's 25, man. The host piece, man. Dang. Alright, I need to make sure I got it there. Alright, so look, y'all. I love you so much. I wish I could articulate how much I love you. Outro, exactly. Too bad I can't do the... It's just gonna end, man. I don't have any stuff set up, right? So, I love y'all. I'll be back tomorrow. All y'all. Together. Y'all are incredible. You made this community what it is. And I wouldn't be anything without y'all. So, I'll be back tomorrow. Till next time. Respect the T.A. Muting my mic. I don't know how to do this without a scene.